So, good evening, one and all. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. Hope everyone will keep their cameras on. Okay, so I'm Vaibhavi Sonavne, student of MMS batch, would like to take this opportunity in the behalf of our entrepreneurial development cell. Welcome you all. People are still joining, so we'll wait for 3 minutes. Okay. As an Indian tradition, we always take the blessings of Almighty before any auspicious occasion. So, before starting the event, I would request Mr. Suraj Dubey to kindly please recite the Ganesh Vandana. Suraj?
Thank you. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सरस्वती महाभागे विद्या कमलोच्च विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षी विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्ते विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्ते विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्ते।
Thank you so much, Suraj. It was very positive and fresh start to the event. So, firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Rupali More ma'am, Dean Simsar, Dr. Tandon Kamal sir, Director Simsar, for attending our today's event. The best way to predict the future is to create it. With this note, I feel so overwhelmed to introduce today's speaker as I am the witness of her journey. I have seen her as a student of an engineer college and trying to cope with the college life and managing her real interest. I have seen how she started taking live session on different career options to taking interviews of different fields, people of different fields. I feel so motivated by witnessing her journey. I'm sure you people will thrilled after this session. So before inviting the speaker, we would love to watch some one brief video about speaker's journey. Ankit, will you please play the video?
हो मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नो मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीट दे। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे फिक्रां नू छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे फिक्रां नू छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे।
Thank you, Ankit. I would now request Miss Kanishka Thakur to motivate with her kind words. Kanishka, over to you.
Hi, Webby. Thank you so much for inviting me. And hi, everyone. जल्दी जल्दी से सब hi बोल दो so that I can start. And most importantly, I want support from all of you people today. कि मुझे
Yes,
Hi.
please keep your
Anushka.
cameras on. This session will be so interactive. Don't
Yeah.
even feel like she's our age, by the way.
Yeah, I really want that. सच्ची बात बोलूँ तो आज मुझे बहुत मोटिवेशन की जरूरत है. आज मैंने मेरी सारी मीटिंग्स कैंसिल की because of Webby. I didn't cancel this session because कल मेरा iPhone ऐसे ही खराब हो गया.
I would love to mention this, Kaniksha. Sorry to cut you out, but I was about to tell all of this that she broke her phone and she was so upset since yesterday. I don't know how she's attending this event today. I seriously thought you would cancel this event too because you were so frustrated about your phone and all. Yeah.
Genuinely, I'm actually doing it with makeup on. I was putting इतना सारा makeup कि मैं ना रोई हूँ रात भर दिखना नहीं चाहिए. So I genuinely want all of you people to motivate. I hope chat is not closed for everyone. I think let's open the chat. It's fine. Let them talk to me ना. ताकि वो
Yeah, sure.
right? Yeah, y'all
Yeah.
can please. I mean, see, I'll literally show it to you people how bad that is. Just see क्या हो गया है. It's got black
Yeah.
fungus.
I saw that. So sorry for that, Kanishka. Yeah.
It is so saddening. I mean, यार मैंने सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, मैंने तोड़ा नहीं, कुछ किया नहीं. They say heat की वजह से हुआ है and all of that, but ठीक है, चलो अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं. मस्त फटका बैठा है. तो that's how I realized it's so difficult to actually maintain luxury
I
brand.
hope we all motivate you too.
I know, right? I just hope कि वो हो. I want all of you people to please unmute, talk to me. Genuinely मुझे आज motivation लगेगा. But I have so much to actually talk to you people. Actually, जब तक Webby mentioned all of these things on my name कि okay, I do content writing, digital marketing, मुझे suddenly ना मेरी journey याद आने लगी. Because now when I have like sorted everything down after 22 years of age, when I started canceling things out, that is the time I started canceling content writing कि मुझे खुद से नहीं करना है. I have people to do it and all. And then I realized, oh God, I have tried all of these things. I've tried so many experiments.
And I am the witness of that. Yeah. I feel
That-
so inspired, you know.
Thank you so much, Remy. That means a lot. And you know, that's how I thought, ki, chalo yaar, let's talk about my experiments. Let's talk about failures today. Let's talk about things that actually have brought about a lot of change in my life. Because you know, it is said कि अगर कोई person उठ के जाता है कहीं से, that is the time another person needs to come and sit. You can't just have that person waiting for that person to come back. You need to clean that place and ask someone else to sit, be there, and fill that place. And that is how I think my journey also started, and my journey also escalated and scaled up because it wasn't stagnant. I have cried. Trust me, मेरे जितना तुम सब भी मिला के जितना रोते नहीं होगे ना उतना मैं रोती हूँ. I met one of my seniors after ages. She came for a walk with me, and then she was actually taunting me, okay, for something. And she was like, I just hope, she cracked a joke, and then she says, I just hope that you don't start crying. तो मुझे ना 3-4 बार समझा नहीं. एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड शिट मैं रोज रोती थी स्कूल में एवरी डे. आई कांट इवन टेल यू पीपल इतना आई हैव क्राइड. एंड सडनली नाउ आई रियलाइज कि ओके कम हुआ है बट मैं फिर भी रोती हूँ. Anything, if you all can see, my eyes are still swollen, and anything wrong that happens, I cry. But then I realize this one thing about myself: even if I cry, once I cry and I get up, I don't cry for the same reason again. अब तुम सोचो ना दुख है इसके लाइफ में कि एक बार वो चीज के बारे में रोती नहीं है तो नेक्स्ट दुख आ भी जाता है. सोचो कितना आ जाता है, कितना जल्दी we have a next thing to cry on. But yeah, that is one thing. I've never stayed stagnant. People say that okay, you're successful at the age of 22, 23. It is not so, because there's so much to see. There's so much yet remaining that I have to see and look after. Because 21 years ki thi when I was trying all of these things and I had a huge team to handle, tab bhi people used to say you're successful. Then after a year when I started something else and I did something new, still people said you're successful. So I realized the meaning of success is not having money or the things that you're doing. It is actually about doing things that you like to do. Something that is gone, you don't have to sit and cry about it. I mean, of course, cry about it and let it go. And then uske baad you can actually move ahead with it. Just a second. I hope tum logo ko bhi awaaz aa raha hoga WhatsApp ka. I'll just cancel it. Yeah. So that is what I'm going to talk about. I know the topic that Webby told me was about entrepreneurship and all of these things. To be very honest, I'm just young. I've just started out. The reason why, in spite of having 2 businesses of my own, I'm still doing a job is because I want to gain that exposure, gain that experience. But how to gain exposure, how to gain experience, and how to classify that I need an experience is what I want to tell you people. So Vaibhavi, is there any other slide after this?
1 second, Ankit.
इसके बाद कुछ
Ankit, yeah.
हटा दो. Let me see everyone. Guys, if you're
Okay,
like
okay, no problem.
कुछ भी खा रहे हो पी रहे हो प्लीज खाओ, I don't mind. सिर्फ वीडियोस ऑन करो. Let me see your.
Ankit, you can stop sharing the screen, no problem.
So all of my teammates also, when मेरी team मतलब she keeps cooking when I'm actually talking or having team meetings and also please feel free. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम लोग एकदम इस चीज में बैठने चाहिए यार. अभी जाके तो I've started having a little you know, I've started having this new thing कि बैठ के I have to be all decked up and all. But ठीक है, इसके पहले मैं भी ऐसी थी, so chill out, okay? So let me just tell you about the small journey as to how one thing ended and उसके बाद how I took it up, and I did not stop. I mean, there's still a lot of things that I did not stop. So when I started working, when I was in my 8th standard, I won't say working. अभी तो you know मिर्च मसाला डाल के अपनी story sell करने को सब बोलते ही है. मैं भी बोलूंगी. So you all don't need to feel bad about things, because when I was your age and when I used to see people your age, when I was in your place, when someone used to come and give a session, तब मुझे भी ऐसा यार ये इंसान इतना अच्छा कर रहा है, why am I not doing like this? I'll give you a small story about this. So right now my intern is not here, the one who comes and works with me. She's gone to her best friend's house because I gave her an opportunity of a live session with a person. So she has a live session today and she asks me कि इसने questions तो दे दिए, इसका आंसर कैसे करूँ? तो I said ठीक है. तो she started working because उसको शायद कुछ admission का and all गड़बड़ था. तो I said ठीक है चलो let's start, and the answers that I told her to give, it is the same thing, okay? मैंने उसको कुछ झूठ नहीं बोलने वाला है उसकी जर्नी में. सिर्फ मैंने उसको क्या बोलने बोला, I told her to not manipulate, put it out in a nice way. Like she says कि दीदी मैंने डांसिंग स्टार्ट किया, फिर मैंने वो छोड़ दिया, मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट किया, फिर अभी वो नहीं कर रही हूँ, now I'm working with you, I don't know what am I going to do next. It's simple. Just go and tell them that I've experimented. I never lost an opportunity. When Kanishka messaged that, hey, would you like to work? I didn't say no. So how did I put out that is that I always experimented. I never stopped learning and I grabbed that opportunity. She didn't know about this, about her journey. She used to feel कि यार मैंने ये सब चीजें try की है, but I've not gotten what I wanted out of it. But how you put your journey out matters. Now, all of you people might have different stories of ending up in this college. Some might genuinely have wanted to get this college. Some might be like, अरे यार कोई दूसरा college नहीं मिला तो यहाँ पे आ गए, दोस्त के वजह से and all of that. It depends up to you all कि तुम तुम्हारा मैगी मसाला में extra magic मसाला कैसे डाल रहे हो. Honestly, no story on the internet is authentic and as it is. क्योंकि अगर वो story रही तो तुम सुनोगे थोड़ी. किसी ने अगर मैंने बोल दिया कि नहीं मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बोला था कि तुझे इंजीनियरिंग करना है, ठीक है, और उसके बाद फिर मैंने बोला ठीक है लेकिन मैं आर्ट्स भी कर सकती हूँ, एंड मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बोला हाँ यू कैन डू दैट, नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ आई टेल यू ऑल दिस, विल यू ऑल लिसन टू मी? Definitely not. But when I tell people that my parents forced me into engineering, how many engineers out here whose parents forced you all into engineering? चलो चलो जल्दी बताओ. If I say that, इतना ऐसे मैं बोलूँ कि जल्दी बताओ कि how many of you all like you know have your parents have forced?
Me.
When I say that, you know, my parents forced me into engineering, I wanted to do arts, I didn't, of course, that is a true story. But the way I say it hits. So today, when I talk about my journey, I talk about my experiences, I don't want any of you all to feel कि यार इसने ये किया है, मैंने ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया है. Mainly because we are of the same age, and trust me, तुम लोगों ने भी इतनी चीजें ट्राई की होगी, इतनी चीजें की होगी जो मुझे नहीं आती है. And that is what I want you all to know कि तुम तुम्हारी stories बताओगे. So today, when I finish talking, I want you people to actually tell me something about your journey, and I'll tell you all as to how can you all put it across. How can you all actually talk about your journey to people? Because that is what matters. कितना भी कर लो, even though I did 2 degrees together, even though I worked really hard, I cannot gain the experience of a 60-year-old. कितना भी बोल लो, ठीक है? So हमारे में जितनी कैपेसिटी होती है हम उतना ही करते हैं. बोलने में that matters कि हम कितना कर रहे हैं. Getting it? Might be exaggerated, might be the truth, but how you say it matters. Of course, I don't lie, I'm not saying that I'm exaggerating as such, but what I'm telling is I don't want you all to feel bad, because when I start selling myself and talking about myself, I go in a flow that, oh, damn, what is this? So I'm being very honest with you people. Okay? So when I started working when I was in 8th standard, it wasn't working as such. So I used to go to these computer classes. When I was in my 4th standard का end के holidays and I was going in 5th, मेरी जो 2 elder sisters थी cousin, मेरी mom है ना सबको पढ़ाती है. She doesn't like working in the kitchen, but she's a housewife, but she'll go and take everyone, तुम ये भी class करो, वो भी class करो, ये भी करो. तो वो अपनी मेरी दोनों cousin sisters को लेके गए MSCIT करने. They were in I think 8th or 9th at that time, and I had just finished my 4th. And I was standing पीछे, and sir says कि ठीक है हो जाएगा, admission करवा दो and all. And then I said मुझे भी करना है, because he was explaining the curriculum. I said मुझे भी करना है. तो सर ने बोला नहीं बेटा आपको पढ़ने नहीं आएगा. मैंने बोला नहीं मुझे करना है. So then he told me okay you read this. ठीक है ये चीज दे रहा हूँ ये पढ़ो. And I said okay sure. I read it out very fluently. I was very good in studies पहले से. And he was amazed. And he said no problem इसका भी admission करवा लो. Abhi MSCIT easy hai, but at that time when I did it, it was not easy. It was genuinely tough, you know, to do it. So that time when I was in 5th standard, just entered 5th standard, I had got 88 marks out of 100 and my sisters got 64 and 62. And I was the youngest for a long period of time. I don't know abhi koi hai nahi, but I was the youngest to complete MSCIT at that time. And I didn't know that I had to register myself for all of this and all. But from that time till I think I was in my 12th, मैं वही classes जाती थी. So I was so good at it. I was so good at teaching, so good at talking. So sir used to tell me कि Kanishka, will you teach people programming? Because programming के लिए हमें लोग नहीं मिल रहे कि जो सिखा सकते हैं. मैंने बोला yeah sure सिखा दूंगी. And I think from that time I knew the art of delegation. There's one more thing that I want to tell you people, the art of delegation. There's a difference between अपना काम दूसरों को दे देना and there's a difference between अपना काम दूसरों से करवा के उस चीज को अच्छे से put out करना. And at that time, even though I love teaching, I had this thing कि मुझे मेरा time waste नहीं करना है. So मैं सिखाती थी और बैच में से ही जो इंसान होता था उसको मैं बोलती थी now you teach because तेरा revision होगा. And that's how I started doing this. Then I had more time because I told people that you have to do this for your friends, for your batchmates, and I had more time. And at that time, I also took up managing his finance, managing की class में कितना पैसा आ रहा है, क्या आ रहा है, कौन लोग आ रहे हैं, more like a clerical to sit on the desk, more like a receptionist and all. When I was in 8th, because पूरा दिन जाके क्लास में ही बैठना होता था. वैसे भी उधर जाके मैं सीख रही हूँ, I'm learning this course, tally भी सिखाओ, ये भी सिखाओ. He didn't allow me to do tally at a very early age because he's like 11th, 12th के बाद ही करना. Don't do it when you're in 8th and 9th. But that's how I learned. I didn't know कि I was working at that time. Now when I look back, I am. So when I finished my 10th तक तो I used to go to so many places from my school. मतलब 10th के board exams March में है और मैं February में I'm going and sitting in Pune for a competition, which I did, which I won. Okay, national level debating competition में जीत के आई थी, but parents को तो tension होता ही है. In my 11th, because I got good grades, एक महीने में पढ़ के 11th से I started taking tuitions. I started giving tuition. So for free, okay. So students आते थे, उनके parents बोलते थे कि हमने सुना है कनिष्का ने 1 month में pull किया है, so we want to make that happen. And from that time, I just give tuitions for 3 months to students, just 3 months, January, February, March, and I tell them chill out करो, साल भर enjoy करो. So I have students coming from the month of July, August only कि पूरा साल tuitions लो. मैंने बोला नहीं, go enjoy yourself. Last के 3 महीने में पढ़ाई हो जाती है. Because they should know कि वो deadlines और ये पढ़ाई कैसे करते आना चाहिए strategically. And that's what my motto of everything in life is: strategies. How do you plan it and how do you have things into place through strategies? So I did that, and I was doing that for 11th and 12th. Again in 12th, मेरे मुंह के सामने my HOD is telling my principal sir कि कनिष्का से उम्मीद मत रखो, because I was in the same school and college. इसको तो 70 के ऊपर भी नहीं मिलेंगे. And I was like, okay, that's bad. And they stopped me going to Allahabad for a competition, saying ki no Kanishka, we won't allow you to go because we want you to concentrate on studies. And how did they stop me? My HOD tells me ki you are going to tell your principal sir ki tujhe nahi jana hai. So I went to sir, and sir asked me ki why are you not going, Kanishka? You know we need you. So I was a scholarship student in school also, because I used to get a lot of laurels to my school. So sir said, Kanishka, we need you. You can't back out like that. I said, sir, I'm sorry, I can't do, because my HOD blackmailed me कि मैं तेको internals में fail कर दूंगी. And I've had all of these share of things also. But in my 12th, I got 90%. I aced that as well. And you know, I think that was the best this thing to my to my HOD, who literally tortured me a lot, me and my best friend. That was a lot. Trust me, it's not like I'm trying to do this, but okay, there were my share of things. So after in my first year, when my parents literally pushed me into engineering, and in Nasik itself, they didn't allow me to go outside. First year तो पूरा waste किया है मैंने, ना lectures किए ना कुछ किए, फिर भी distinction आ गया. I was like, this is bad, because I wanted to prove my parents कि मुझे year drop लगेगा. एक backlog भी नहीं था और मुझे distinction था. I mean, how can that happen? Why is God trying to do that to me? And when in first year, I tried my level best to change my branch, but nahi hua. What I'm trying to prove you all by the story is everything in life happens for a reason. I tried my level best कि मेरा branch change हो, मैं ऊपर तक गई, trust के इस तक गई. That is why I have connections in my college ऊपर तक. Because of my branch change thing, nothing, कुछ भी नहीं, nothing happened. And I feel blessed that I didn't go in computer department, because if you all ever go to KK Wag and see, uska ENTC department is amazing. Why do I say that? Because fourth year में मैं lectures नहीं करती थी तो भी मेरी attendance लगा देते थे. Just being very honest with you all. Now, how did that happen? How did you mold teachers like that? So in first year, जब I was very sad, okay, very sad. Second year, I somehow tried getting out of it. I started having a good friend circle and tried motivating them, and they motivating me that Kanishka, तू बता पहले क्या करती थी? And because first year में तुम मुझे देखते थे ना, literal आवारा करती. No lectures, just sitting on this thing and sitting on gears and doing nothing at all. So when we started that, I started with a photography firm along with my friend and everything, and I started managing things. So I started getting back in the game, and my teachers saw something in me. So by third year, when I started doing digital marketing, my teachers used to tell me, and when I used to tell them कि I have a meeting, they used to say, ठीक है, you go and come, no problem, ठीक है, but सब चीजें time पे submit कर देना. And by fourth year, like third year के end में, before lockdown happened, I had 3 of my teachers as my client. मतलब where I am studying, मेरे खुद के टीचर्स मेरे क्लाइंट्स थे. आई वाज हैंडलिंग एक मैम के हस्बैंड का बिजनेस, एक मैम की मॉम का रेस्टोरेंट का बिजनेस, एंड एक और मैम का एक स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट था दैट आई वाज हैंडलिंग. सो it feels good that I was in ENTC department, because now when I see computer department ke teachers, because they were very strict and all, I think it came out as a blessing for me. And you won't believe, I purposely wanted a year drop in my engineering because मेरे पेरेंट्स को प्रूव करना है कि देखो तुमने मुझे किस चीज में डाल दिया है. बट यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड, मेरे साइकोलॉजी के लास्ट ईयर में मैं मेरा एग्जाम फॉर्म भरना भूल गई, एंड आई हैड अ गैप ऑफ 6 months. I mean, think of this. मैं stubborn बनी. I purposely did so many things. I'm not like I'm a merit student, but I did not get admission through merit because मैंने cap round में KK वाग डाला ही नहीं, नासिक का एक भी college नहीं डाला. So they had to pay lakhs of rupees to get me admitted. So God always favors the good, but I was stubborn, and that is why I was not favored. But again, everything happens for a reason. When my psychology degree में I like had this 6 months का gap. वो 6 months के गैप में I wanted to fill. मेरा कुछ लॉस नहीं था 6 months का गैप होता भी तो. And then I researched and realized कि the same institute I'm working in, studying in, also offers a 6-month certification course. And that is how I completed my career counseling certification from there. I just did it randomly. मैंने सोचा therapy तो नहीं हो रहा मुझसे, मेरे खुद के इतने issues है. I keep crying, and if someone tells me their problems, I sleep crying. I used to just be like, मुझसे तो नहीं होगा ये चीज. I tried 6 months therapy, but it didn't happen. And then I filtered it out, and I realized that खत्म. Okay, in the year of 2019 or something, I finished my career counseling certification. I passed with distinction. I finished all of that, and then engineering में भी आ गए. Never used that career counseling thing. But see, life comes back in circles. So when I wanted to start with live sessions, trust me at this, it was nothing for career. I never started with that motive at all. I just wanted, I was so irritated sitting at home. कुछ भी करने को नहीं था. Literally कुछ भी करने को नहीं था. I was doing झाड़ू पोछा घर पे. I said, यार कुछ तो करते हैं life में. So I reached out to this friend and I told him, listen, can you go live with me? I really want to like take people live who have helped me and changed my life. So if you'll see my first 3-4 guests, it is Piyush Kukreja who helped me, Tanvi Malhara, who's been a real good motivation for me. So I started taking these people. But then Piyush said, Kanishka, I've just started my digital marketing agency. How about I give a digital marketing masterclass through you? So I said, doesn't matter, chalega. And then he gave me the topic career in digital marketing. I said, गलती से मेरे पास करियर काउंसलिंग का सर्टिफिकेशन है, लेट्स यूटिलाइज दैट. एंड that is how I started with this. So the next live session, I had a random live session with Talmi Malhara. I actually molded that into career in beauty pageants and radio jockeying. Now, how did this happen? Sometimes you don't plan things. Sometimes you don't want things to happen to you. But how well do you take those opportunities? How well do you actually grab or mold opportunities in your way matters. So if you'll see, or if you'll observe around you, there are tons of opportunities coming your way. But what do we people do? We wait. We wait for opportunities to knock our door. Why? देखो, एक चीज है, या तो अगर तुम्हारी गाड़ी रास्ते में बाजू में बंद पड़ गई है, there are two things you can do. Either wait for someone to wait and tell you that, hey, do you want any help? Or you can actually wave and tell someone, wait and help me. Now, if you wait for people, if you wait for good people to come and tell you that, hi, is there anything I can help you with? You will take zyada time. Definitely opportunities khud se will come your way. But if you wave at someone and tell them, ki, hey, could you please help me with this? I think the process is faster. And that is what matters. Ki how you grab, there are opportunities, तुम्हारे बाजू से जा रही होगी और तुमको मालूम नहीं होगा. Right now also there must be so many things जो हमारे आजू बाजू से जा रही है, we don't know. But are we capturing it? Are we actually using that opportunity is what matters the most. Okay, so this was my journey, and then I started with things, and there were a lot of things that I did not know. I always had this confidence कि कुछ करना है, हटके करना है, and you know, most importantly with time I have changed my mindset. पहले मेरा mindset क्या होता था? So I'll tell you this client that I had, the teacher client I had. So I used to like talk to her, gossip with her and all. So she calls and she tells me there's this girl who's ditched me a lot in college. Like मेरे college में मेरी एक classmate थी जो जिसने मुझे actually बहुत बुरी तरीके से, she has not been good to me. So she calls and she tells me कि उसकी status देखा क्या? She also finished her digital marketing certification. And this was the first month of lockdown. I think April का था, March में जब start हुआ. And I'm crying to my mom, again crying, कितना रोती हूँ मैं. I'm crying to my mom and I'm telling my mom कि मम्मा यार देखो उसने भी कर लिया. And my mama is like, it makes no sense. Just look at you, look at her and stop comparing. And I was like, why am I waiting for that moment कि अगर मैं extra certifications करके इधर हूँ, why am I waiting for someone to do that extra certification and come here? Why can I not constantly keep on climbing the ladder? मैं क्या करती थी पहले? I used to do another certification, climb a stair and sit over there. Then अगर कोई मेरे बाजू में आके बैठा, then I used to climb another stair and sit there. And that is a wrong mindset. You wait for people to come and be your competition, and then you say that, hey, you know what, this person went ahead of me. Jabki we don't work on having constant learnings and constant opportunities and moving forward. And from that day, from the month of May till today, जितने भी महीने हो गए मेरे पास उतने certifications हैं, छोटे बड़े big small, name any, I have that. एक छोटा सा कुछ दिख रहा है certification which is for 99 rupees, I took it. Of course, seeing कि उसके कुछ benefits and all है क्या. See, I'm not going to add all of that to my resume, but समझो आगे जाके कोई ऐसी opportunity आई where they are asking me कि, hey, do you know this? I can leverage that one certificate ना. I can always alter things on my resume and send it to them when I have it. So our main thing is कि हम सिर्फ एक स्टेयर चढ़ के रुक जाते हैं, हम कंटिन्यूस वो स्टेयर नहीं चढ़ते. कोई बच्चे को देखा है कैसे चढ़ता है स्टेयर्स? It climbs the stair and it looks at you and it smiles. It climbs the stairs, it looks at you and it smiles. But if you see, what do we do? हम बड़े होते होते क्या करते हैं? We skip stairs. हम एक स्टेयर छोड़ के चलते हैं, which is wrong too. We are always on the extremes in life. Either हमको बहुत बड़ा कुछ करना है या हमको ऐसा लगता है कुछ नहीं करना है यार, मम्मी शादी करवा दो. पिछले 2 दिन से तो मैं मम्मी को ये बोल रही हूँ, मम्मा प्लीज कोई अमीर लड़के से शादी करवा दो जो मुझे आईफोन गिफ्ट कर देगा. सिर्फ आईफोन गिफ्ट करने के लिए शादी करवा दो. So we are always on the extremes, including me. हमें हमेशा extremes पे जाना है, हमें mid रहना ही नहीं है. क्यों नहीं रहना है? So of course now that is something that I am learning also. It's not something कि मैं बहुत great हूँ, मैं best हूँ. I have my share of insecurities as well. So of course now with time I have developed this thing कि every month, not just me, including my team, हम every month एक course करेंगे ही करेंगे, which is bettering us, which is something better than what we are last month. And I think that is what has helped us. Now, when I started with this digital marketing, I completed the Google Digital Garage ka certification course. Free hai yaar, tum log bhi kar lo. It doesn't teach you a lot, but it gives you at least the authority कि तुम अगर किसी को social media marketing भी कर रहे हो, social media handling भी कर रहे हो, तो भी if someone questions you that, hey, are you doing this? So you can just tell them that, hey, yes, you know what, I have this certification. So you can just do that. But I wanted to learn more. I wanted to know a little more about it. So in Nasik, I went to this class where I told sir, कि listen, I have a few clients. मैं सिर्फ उनका social media handle करती हूँ. I will give you all my clients. I will not pay. I will not pay for your course because it was hefty amount, like 25-30,000. I said, I'm not going to do that. I'll give you my content writing services for free. I'll write, I'll study for 2 hours जो आपका क्लास होता है, and बाकी का जो टाइम है, जितना भी टाइम मैं रुक सकती हूँ, because it was really far मेरे घर से, I'll sit and I'll work in the office. And that's how I completed my proper digital marketing का thing. Now, again, वहाँ पे जो मैंने सीखा वो SEO था, बाकी चीजें थी and all. It was nowhere related to social media. In fact, आज भी वो सर मुझे कॉल करके पूछते हैं कि कनिष्का social media में ये कैसे करो. Whatever I've learned is through experience, but I'm glad that I have an extra additional certification which is from a class without paying a penny. So it depends on how you grab opportunities, how you create opportunities for yourself. So when I started doing this, I was still very amateur. I had that thing, you know, मेरे पास तो सर्टिफिकेशन है अच्छा वाला, एंड अभी तो मेरे पास मुझे तो पहले से ही क्लाइंट्स मिले थे. एक बोल रही हूँ, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स होने का बहुत अच्छा फायदा है. मेरे सारे वाइवाज में आई हैव जस्ट गॉन एंड आई हैव स्पोकन टू देम, told them about myself, told them about how I'm doing 2 degrees, asked them about how their life is, how their kids is, and I've come back. I hardly doubt कि मैंने कोई वाइवा में इतना अच्छे से दिया होगा. Definitely I have answered जहाँ पे DSA और ऐसे subjects होते थे where I used to like go and I genuinely used to answer. But a lot of times teachers used to excuse me because communication skills है, you should know how to get that done. So closing clients for me is not a big deal. I can make that person feel like, you know, it is good. I want you people to take things from whatever I'm talking about in a vague way, that communication skills matter, communication skills पे work करना है. So I started getting clients on that, but I realized I am very amateur. Just a few days ago, I had an international client from Canada. She came back saying that, hey Kanishka, how are you? I want to work with you. And when she heard me after the whole thing, she's like, do you realize it's such a vast change in you? Pehle I used to do sessions, meetings from my phone in any avatar, कुछ भी बैठ के कर लो यार मीटिंग, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है. जाके just talk to the client कि हाँ हाँ ये हो जाएगा. Of course they used to trust, मैं results भी लाती थी. But there are so many things that I had to learn, so many things that I had to make it better. And of course, there were a lot of people who actually motivated me to do things. So I had just 3-4 clients in the beginning and I was scared to actually scale it up because मैं अकेले नहीं handle कर पाऊंगी. मुझे जो देना है मैं perfect देती थी. And then my friends told me कि Kanishka, you will need to have a team. And slowly we started increasing. And now I'm glad that we are working with some big people in the industry. So I hope you all have already got the introduction, but फिर भी बता देती हूँ. So we were working with Abhi and New, Divyanshu Damani, Raj Shamani. I don't know if you guys know them. If you all know them, just like probably put them in the chat section that if you all know them. रोने के दिन चले गए. मैं रोती हूँ अभी तक. रात भर रो के I put so much makeup just to hide from you people that I'm crying. Guys, please talk to me. Please chats में डालो.
Yes, please guys talk.
यार मैं बोर कर रही हूँ क्या? बता दो कोई
Not
प्रॉब्लम.
at all, Kanishka. Not at all, yaar.
Yeah, you know me. That's why you're listening to me. Na, others don't know me. That's it.
No. Even I'm listening, so I was just going through what you were saying, and it's pretty inspiring because from where you've come up and the point that you're here, it's truly inspiring. So I think now you said how Abhi and you, so they are like they put up such good content. So I'm glad that you are in touch with them and you're working with them. So that's such a huge thing. So congrats on that.
So, Abhi, I think ये link नहीं चल रही है, but you all can just find me on Instagram, Kanishka Thakur. Thank you so much. Who was that? Just tell me the name. I'm so sorry, I missed your name.
Shweta Karekar. Hi.
Yeah. So, to be very honest, Abhi and you are perfectionists. They love working. I've seen them struggling, but I'm telling you, it takes a toll on them as well. So most importantly, I feel that I'm glad that I am someone who can actually hear her out and be there when she's talking. Most of the things she does on her own. We helped her with Twitter strategies, LinkedIn strategies, and we helped her how to handle the Pinterest overall. So now she's handling it because she wanted to dive deeper into it. But yeah, from her Pinterest from scratch till date, when she had 2 lakh viewers on Pinterest, we've been handling that. So yeah, it's good to see that you people are appreciating that. Thank you so much. So for now, what do we do is what I'm doing is I was working in the government sector in Cantonment Board, and I was working in the revenue and taxation department. So I realized, okay, there is growth. I did learn a lot of things from there because सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, every person in this world should work in a government office for once. तुमको आर्ट ऑफ डेलीगेशन इतना ब्यूटीफुली आएगा ना कि काम मत करो और दूसरों से करवा दो. मतलब आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई हैव सीन चेंजेस इन मी. जब हम प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स की ये चीज लेते थे एंड स्टार्टिंग में व्हेन जब कोई आता था एंड दे यूज्ड टू लाइक अंकल आंटीज ही आते हैं गवर्नमेंट, इसमें कोई यंगस्टर्स आके नहीं जाना चाहता है ना गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस, तो व्हेन दे कम तो पहले ना मैं ऐसे चेयर देती थी उनको, आई से कि हाँ सर बैठो एंड ऑल, एंड सब मुझे ऐसे बोलते थे क्या ये, तो पीपल यूज्ड टू कम एंड आस्क मी दैट अरे मैडम आप न्यू हो क्या, इधर लग ही रहा है न्यू हो एंड ऑल. एंड विद टाइम जैसे ही 6 months हुए, I realize I'm not even getting up from my place because I see everyone, that aura, that vibe, that nobody's caring when I take them कि हाँ ये सर आपको हेल्प करेंगे. That sir used to say हाँ बोलो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, they used to listen to the problem and they used to say हाँ ठीक है मंडे को आना. I literally inculcated that in me, वो होता ही है. तुम कितना भी अच्छा बनने की कोशिश करो, तुम्हारे सराउंडिंग तुमको वो चीज सिखा ही देते हैं. एंड आई थिंक दैट हैज प्रोबेबली spoiled me, made me good, made me I don't know what, but वो मैं अभी भी करती हूँ and I want to get rid of it कि हाँ ठीक है बाद में कर लेंगे यार. I mean look at my team members also, they'll also tell you I was not like this पहले, genuinely I was not, because I'm not blaming it but वो होता है. So then I left that because I got a good offer from Tag Mango. I don't know how many of you all know Divyanshu and Tag Mango. If you all have heard of Tag Mango, if you all must have seen your creators on it. जल्दी बताओ yes no. यार सब सोए. वे भी एक कंपलसरी अटेंडेंस रखा है क्या सबके लिए, इसलिए सब आके बैठे हैं.
Yes, actually.
अरे यार सब ऑन करके भाग
But
गए.
I have told them today's session would be different.
Okay, so yeah, nobody is putting in the chats also. सब like ठीक है, सिर्फ सुन रहे हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सुन लो ठीक है. So I started working in Tag Mango. Now here is one experience that I want to share with you people. Now with time, when I was in my 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, okay, so with time I realized that I have to change and evolve of the work that I am doing. There is something called as okay, so when I was in my 10th 11th, tab tak I used to, for the classes that I used to go to, I used to literally do telecalling for them also. It actually helped me improve my communication skills. It helped me become better, definitely. Now with time that I was doing at that age, I will not do the same thing now because I already have that experience. I have to evolve. So when in a company, when I was asked to do telecalling just for a few days also, I refused. I left that company. So when someone, including, I'll just tell you, like when Niyati asked me that, you're good at consulting, you literally are good at telling people what to do and your strategies, why do you want to work? You can just scale up your business. The time that you're giving to a job in less amount, you can get another client with more amount and just go ahead and do that. I said no. अभी मेरी एज है कि मैं जॉब कर सकती हूँ. Once I become 27, 28, I am being very practical. When I'm married, I don't want to do a job. I don't want to be stuck there. So I'm doing it. Even though I have a business that's running well, why do I need to do a job? Because वहाँ पे I'm doing something better. वहाँ पे I'm doing which is strategic marketing and learning from a startup जो मैं खुद करना चाहती हूँ in the next 6 months. So now I'm gaining that experience जो मुझे next 6 months में काम आएगा. After a year, I won't be in the same position what I'm doing on this startup. I have to evolve myself and I will get a better position jahan pe I work, and I want to learn until I am married. So when you are at a certain age, now for example, even if all of us समझो हम 25 years के भी हैं, but if you don't know these basic things of telecalling, everyone I am telling you, telecalling try करो. You get to know so much about consumer psychology, so much about people. कोई भी age हो, you start from basics. If you're 25, if you finished MBA, don't be a business consultant directly. I mean it. You'll be very happy that you've got a position like that. But when you've not worked on ground level, you will not be able to be on that position and think for them. तुम एज अ बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट के ही इससे सोचोगे हमेशा. So with time, I evolved and I did not do the same work that I was asked to do, even though I was getting a good amount. I'll tell you all the amount also. I was getting paid 50,000 along with this personal brand, 25,000 more. That was 75,000. And if I was supposed to move there in Mumbai and stay and work over there, they were giving me extra 20,000 allowance. So that is like overall 1 lakh. I refused. I literally refused. I'm doing a job right now for a company which pays me only 20,000. I'm literally being very honest with you people. My clients pay me more than that. But I'm doing a job which is only paying me 20,000. But trust me, guys, the kind of exposure, the kind of learning, the kind of virtual office we have, I never knew something like this existed. I have my best friend who is working for a company who is a business consultant. Of course, she has an experience of 4 years as well. Uska MBA bhi complete nahi hua tha, and she was offered a job of a business consultant. She's only working for around 15,000 or something. And everyone who listens to this na ek hi cheez bolte hai कि of course वो work from home है. When she's going to shift over there, she's going to get triple or 4 times the amount because she's proved herself. Probation period का amount कम ही होता है, तो मुझे भी कम मिलता है, उसको भी कम मिल रहा है probation period में. But I know when she shifts over there, I know she's going to get a hefty amount because of the work she's shown. And everyone used to tell her कि क्या इतने amount में काम कर रही है. So I told her कि the girl who asked you this, ask her position and her salary. वो लड़की की position was somewhere okay, मतलब जो normal MBA हम ये डालते हैं उसके बाद either if you are into marketing, either you get into sales or either you get into these things. But as soon as you finish MBA, it is very difficult to get you all are doing MBA, right? So it's very difficult to get a position of a business consultant. If she's getting it work from home, she's getting it that way. Her parents were supportive. They understood and मुझे मालूम था वो चीज because of course मेरे तरफ से आया तो I was sure about it कि मेरे तरफ से अच्छे से मिल गया through a person with me. And that company, I don't know if you all are from Pune, but you all might know the company called Zaptec. It's a good company in Pune, real good company in Pune. And I know that after 6 months when she shifts over there, and even after 6 months, if she wants to leave and join another company, that position on her resume that usko before MBA khatam hone ke pehle she got that position. She worked for 6 months as a business consultant, made a whole startup from her hand. Can you imagine the kind of endless opportunity she's made for herself? So at times, a lot of you people after you all are, probably, Webber, we are in first year right now, right? Second year?
Yes. No, it's first year.
So
First year.
have your placements and all, y'all might also, I'm not telling y'all to work on a low amount, okay? But I'm just saying, if y'all have a good position, if y'all have a good opportunity in a good company, and if the amount is less, okay, if y'all can afford it, okay? Now, a lot of people can't afford it because they have to take care of the house. Like for me, although I might show off and everything, I have to take care of my house. My dad is retired. They are providing everything. पैसा है ऐसा नहीं है, but एक लगता है ना, I'm like the only earning source, and I have to do something extra to actually sustain my luxurious life also. Take care कि मैं घर पे भी चीजें दे पाऊँ and बाकी चीजें भी करूँ. So if you can afford it, go for it. Because when I left Tag Mango, I knew that it was a bad decision. Although it was okay for my self-respect, I did a very good thing that I did not work on that position and all, but it was a stupid move because that was the same time my dad retired, same time when Cantonment did not have enough funds to pay, and 2 months की payment नहीं आई थी, dad का retirement का ही नहीं हुआ था, pension start नहीं हुआ था. I dropped that big client who was giving me that money and I was in a financial crisis. So I have made those stupid decisions. Although मैं लोगों को जाके तो यही बताऊंगी, I love that company because they were like telling me to do XYZ things, but you need to be smart enough as well. I actually made a wrong decision of leaving at the wrong time when I knew that I did not have the capacity, financial capacity to leave. Okay, so वो एक चीज है. But if you have the capacity to experiment for 6-8 months, if your parents are giving you the liberty to do so, go for it. You can work on a less amount at a bigger position or in a better company, but the kind of exposure that you get is crazy. Trust me, crazy. Now, for example, there was this Didi here. Guys, can you all give me a minute? Just give me a minute, please. I've gotten juice for myself. Y'all be hydrated and have it too. So yeah. यार तुम कोई स्माइल भी नहीं कर रहे हो, मुझे बड़ा बुरा लग रहा है कि तुम अमेजिंग सिद्धार्थ, हाय. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, talking about opportunities and all. So there was this Didi who is studying MBA from ISB right now. So she was telling me that Kanishka, when I look at people, I have earned so much. She has been teaching in a coaching here. She's amazing. She was the best student in her engineering and everything. She's earned hefty amounts of money, but she's not been in a good company like that. So it was very difficult for her to get into ISB. Compared to that, of course, people in Amazon have good packages, but there are people who worked in Amazon, people who've worked over there who've gotten ISB because I think they need like 2 years of experience or something. And when I got to know that, when I heard that, I realized that it's not just about earning money. Because there was a phase in my life in last year when I was just earning money. अकेले काम कर रही थी तो मुझे कुछ expenses थे भी नहीं. I never had to pay anyone. I never had to. जो भी काम करो profitful अपना है, वो चीज होता था. But it's not just about earning money. I did not have these names. I had clients. I did not have these names that I could prove कि okay, look, I'm working for these people. Look, I'm working for this. I'm giving this thing and all. And that's when I realized कि मैं resume पे क्या डालूं. Tons of clients that I've worked with. Resume पे सारे clients तो नहीं डाल सकती हूँ. Biodata पे इतने सारे clients तो नहीं डाल सकती हूँ. I have to narrow it down. At times when you're growing, don't think of this कि यार अभी पैसा कमाना है. कमाओ, डेफिनेटली अगर मिल रहा है तो अच्छी बात है. लोग बोलेंगे कि खुद कमा रही है और दूसरों को बोल रही है कि पैसा मत कमाओ. बट आई वांट यू ऑल टू नो कि हमारी एज इतनी क्रूशियल है ना, स्पेशली गर्ल्स. नो मैटर योर पेरेंट्स हैव बीन सपोर्टिव एंड यू ऑल आर हियर. ट्रस्ट मी एट दिस, सच्ची सच्ची बता रही हूँ. यू ऑल आर हियर स्टडिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. कब पेरेंट्स का दिमाग सटकेगा नहीं मालूम है. कब तुमको आके बोलते कि अगले साल शादी करनी है, तब तक है ना तुम लोग पैसा मत देखो, because you never know you get a rich husband for that. तब तक तुम
True, Kanishka. I so concur with this.
ऑलरेडी सटक चुका है यहाँ पे, तो थोड़ा 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 धक्का मार मार के शांत रखा है उनको.
Girls has really a limited time for this.
I know, right? I mean,
सब थोड़ी ना रिच हस्बैंड देखेंगे.
अरे ये गर्ल्स के लिए बोल रही हूँ, अभी बॉयज पे आना बाकी है. रुको रुको जरा सब्र करो. So एक सेकंड ना. हाँ, so what should girls look out for is more of experience. Because क्या होता है ना, समझो after marriage where are you shifted you don't know. I'm not joking about this, but wherever you shift, अगर तुम्हारा resume strong है ना, तुम उस चीज को leverage कर सकते हो. समझो if you actually look out for a good company or a good position, बाद में समझो अगर तुमने sales में भी काम किया है in a good company, you can just become a sales consultant. You can just be someone who gives guest lectures because you have that one name in your thing in your resume. तुम्हें ना शो ऑफ करना आना चाहिए.
I have one question. So what matters? Company matters or profile matters?
So depends. अभी जैसे देखो, अगर तुम्हें Amazon में एक सेल्स कॉलिंग की जॉब मिल रही है, ठीक है, बट अगर तुम्हें उससे छोटी कंपनी, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल उससे छोटी कंपनी, एकदम भी छोटी नहीं, some new company that's starting out, maybe something like Amazon, if there is कोई something
1mg.
Yeah, probably 1mg, if I've heard of it. So अगर वहां पे अगर तुमको एक प्रॉपर अच्छी पोजीशन वाली जॉब मिल रही है, then you should go for it because that has name. Anything, any company, ऐसा नहीं कि Amazon में चाहिए. Any company जिसका नाम सुन के लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए. Now there are a lot of people. I also have clients from Rhodey's and Splitsvilla. Can you all imagine there is इतना बड़ा gap उनके बीच में? They don't know who Raj Shamani is. They don't know who Abhimanyu is. And that is when I realized कि जब मैं ये लोगों को target कर रही हूँ, Rhodey's Splitsvilla, when I'm talking to Alfez Kaishagi and that boy says कि no bro, I don't know who Raj Shamani is. I don't know who this person is. I realized the world is so big. 2 million followers don't matter. You need to have an overall covering around you. कि तुम हर जगह पे जाने जाओ. Now I've captured this also. So now when I reach out to anyone from Splitsvilla, they know कि she works with that person. You're like getting my point. So what matters is कि तुम balance out करो. Just because Amazon में तुमको एक calling की job दे रहे, you're an MBA. You're not going to do that. तो वो तुमको चीज मालूम होना चाहिए कि Amazon नाम भले ही है, but तुम वो position पे नहीं हो सकते. There shouldn't be इतना gap between it. There should be इतना gap चलेगा. So समझो if there is a company जिसका नाम भी लोग जानते हैं, या at least a company जिसको search करके लोग सोच सकते हैं कि oh she's working in this company. Getting it? Company जिसकी valuation अच्छी है, जो कम नाम अच्छा है, and उस पे एक अच्छी position. ऐसा नहीं है, समझो now a lot of you people don't know Zaptec. It's fine. When you all search about Zaptec, people who are staying in Pune say that it's an Amanora Mall. Can you imagine Amanora Mall near Magarpatta? That is like, oh damn, that matters. And that too, वो position पे अगर तुमको business consultant मिल रहा है, that matters. यही चीज अगर उसको अच्छी company में मिल भी रहा होगा through college placements, it wouldn't matter अगर उसको वो position नहीं मिल रही थी तो. So तुम्हारे position और company में ज़्यादा gap नहीं होना चाहिए. That is one thing that you all need to like remember about that thing. Also, a lot of times we take things for granted. Now I'll tell you all this one thing. I don't know how many participants and who all are here कि तुम लोग ये stories जाके बाहर बताओगे, but ठीक है, I'll just go ahead and tell you all about this. So what happened is, me when I was working in Tag Mango, because Divyanshu saw potential in me, is the thing he asked me thrice to work in Tag Mango, and he asked me for a different position. And I said, I won't work on that position no matter what. So the fourth time when he asked me, he offered me a better position. So I said, okay, I will do it. But thrice I rejected. When I was working in Tag Mango, I got an offer from Avalon. I don't know how many of y'all know Avalon, Meta, Varun, Maya. They are like big names. So I said no. I mean, कॉन्फिडेंस देख रहे हो बंदी का, जाके उन लोगों को नो बोल रहे हो जो अभी अभी मार्केट में आई है. सो इट्स लाइक आई legit said no to them as well. And they asked me again after a month or so when I left Tag Mango. They asked me again that hey Kanishka, would you still like to take this up? The amount is negotiable. पहले उन्होंने मुझे कम बोला था, the amount is negotiable, but I said ठीक है चलो, show me what you all are doing. तो जब मैंने उनका virtual office देखा, super awesome. If you all want, I can like show it to you all once the session ends. You all will love it, I'm telling you all. Then I was like, chhod amount ko Kanishka, you don't need it, you can earn it somewhere else. Just take this up. So I took that up. I have been so overconfident about this that, you know, I rejected Tag Mango thrice. I rejected Avalon twice, saying कि नहीं मुझे नहीं करना है. And they came to me. Agreed. Because they know my potential, they did that. मेरे कंपटीशन में स्कूल में एक बंदा था जो, मैं फर्स्ट आती थी वो सेकंड आता था. ही वाज स्टडीइंग इन आईआईटी. उसकी मम्मा को पहले से था कि आईआईटी में जाए ना. ही इज नॉट वर्किंग इन द फील्ड दैट ही स्टडीड इन. कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ आईआईटी जाके. सो डोंट फील बैड कि अगर तुम लोग आईआईएम एंड ऑल में नहीं हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, ट्रस्ट मी. कितना भी बोलो ठीक है, थोड़ा फर्क पड़ेगा बट उतना नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड में जब तुम्हारे बच्चे, अगर तुम्हारे बच्चे बात कर रहे हैं अपने दोस्तों के से जो आईआईएम से पढ़े, इट वोंट अफेक्ट दैट मच. थोड़ा पड़ेगा बट नॉट दैट मच. And he was telling me I'm working in this startup and I have a 10 lakhs ka package and stuff and all. I'm like, that's impressive. मुझे नहीं मालूम मेरा पैकेज कितना है, because revenue अलग अलग जगह से आता है. And then he was like, अच्छा what are you doing? तो मैंने तो मस्ती में बोला कुछ नहीं यार, शादी के लिए रुकी हूँ and all. तो फिर we had a conversation और उसके बाद I was like, कुछ नहीं, I've just had bad days because I left Tag Mango and now I'm working in Avalon. And you know when the way he reacted, bro, you worked in Tag Mango, you're working in Avalon. I applied in both of these startups and because इनका valuation बहुत अच्छा है and I got rejected. Can you imagine? मैं इतनी grounded हो गई ना वो moment. मतलब my intern was telling me कि आपको तो खुश होना चाहिए कि आपने उनको reject किया. मैं इतनी humble हो गई वो moment पे कि what if मेरे first rejection के बाद ये लोग वापस नहीं आते तो? What if I would have lost that opportunity? Sometimes you take things for granted इतना ज़्यादा. मैं रोई उस दिन. I was like, why did I leave Tag Mango? Then definitely I spoke to the person who actually motivated me to leave Tag Mango. He was telling me, Kanishka, you were not being valued over there. They were undervaluing you and you took the right decision. Okay, I know I took the right decision. But can you imagine how much I have taken things for granted? That overconfidence in me, ki I know my strategies work out. I know how things are. Without testimonies, I didn't reach out to Rajshamani, Abhimanyu and Divyanshu. मैंने नहीं बोला कि मुझे काम करना है. They reached out to me. These people reach out to me. Can you imagine? Abhimanyu came to me. I didn't go to them. That overconfidence in me कि यार मैंने तो without testimonies, without reaching out to them. एक second, this fan का voice. Without reaching out to them, these people have come to me and they think so much about me. But think of this, what if वो opportunity चली जाती? What if that overconfidence would have killed me? So I think of both perspectives, of course. अभी मैं तुम लोगों को एक चीज़ बता रही हूँ, but in any company, in any meeting that I go to, like I was hiring people, वहाँ पे तो मैंने सीधा यही overconfidence दिखाया कि you know what, I told them no. I mean, मैं वो चीज ये गई थी. But यहाँ पे I'm telling this to you people because फिर मुझ में वो fear आ गया, and I became more humble. And next time when they told me Avalon to do work, I did extra work. Within 18 days, I have the co-founder directly saying I want to work with Kanishka in Avalon. I'm working with the co-founder directly, and I'll show you guys a screenshot. Abhi mera phone ye nahi hai, but I'll show you guys a screenshot where, of course, they know कि Kanishka telecalling नहीं करेगी. Main reason why Tag Mango she left and everything. वहां पे एक co-founder is telling the person कि Kanishka को बोल दो ये चीज close करने को. And the other co-founder says, why will Kanishka do it? That is not her job role. Two co-founders fighting कि Kanishka का job role नहीं है, वो ये चीज नहीं करेगी. I didn't even have to say that. Because thank God that an incident happened. मैं इतनी humble हो गई कि मैं वो काम करती थी. And still I said कि no problem sir, I'll take it up. आप tension मत तुम. ऐसा नहीं है कि just because job role नहीं है तो मुझे वो नहीं करना है. So even though you reach heights, even though you strategically plan and reach things, ये मैंने सीखा है कि overconfidence से बहुत सारी चीजें I could have literally fallen so bad. But I'm glad that things happened and I observe. A lot of people who would have been at my position वो observe नहीं करते कि ठीक है ये चीज हुई है गलती. But I observed, I saw कि ये मैंने mistake की. This is how I have to rectify. Of course, I talk to my parents. I talk since my intern is there. She also tells me कि आप चीजों से भाग रहे हो. ये बहुत intellectual conversations होती है. I have friends also around me. The person who I go for a walk with, he तो has different level of thought process only because he's been around the globe. So you have to surround yourself like that. I don't honestly, Vaibhavi, what was the topic that we were supposed to talk on? I'm so sorry. I've just gotten so much into it. जब से मुझे मालूम पड़ा, actually मेरा phone टूटा है ना, तब से मैं बहुत एकदम philosophical हो गई
You're
हूँ.
going good, ma'am. You're going good. Experience.
Thank you so much, Siddharth. So yeah, honestly, Vaibhavi, please tell me what was the topic about so I can also get to it a little.
It's about strategic marketing.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, strategies, I mean, see, that's how you plan your life. I mean, everything is not going to go according to the things you've planned, but how do you rectify it? How you actually stand up? Guys, net चल रहा है ना मेरा ठीक से?
Yeah.
Yeah. लाइफ में ऐसा होगा कि you will always feel कि यार ये end है. इससे भयंकर कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Trust me, पिछले 7 दिन से मेरे लाइफ में रोज रात को कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है. Shows my internet connection is unstable. Y'all can hear me properly, no? सब कुछ?
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
yes,
hear
you are
you.
audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
What's
just
up?
yeah, go on.
Clearly audible.
Okay. So it's like every night कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इससे भयंकर कुछ नहीं हो सकता. The last time when I actually cried like a baby was in my first year when I knew कि KK में मुझसे better नहीं है कोई. I knew कि I am going to win the personality contest. I mean, if anyone follows me on Instagram, there's a post where I wrote about it. Again, about overconfidence. I'm a very overconfident person. I won't deny that. I was so overconfident कि I have acting, I have cashier to play, I have my talking skills. इतने सारी चीजें I can perform, and I was performing 3 different arts at one this thing. Speech round, I'm going to ace it. Acting round, I do that. I do theaters, I do plays. Third round, question answer round, I'm going to ace it. I couldn't go past the second round. Why? Because जब practices का time होता था, I used to tell my mentor, अरे भैया prepared हूँ ना, जाने दो क्या ही करना है. A girl who we didn't even imagine won the Miss KK Waka competition, and I cried. People used to still come and say, Kanishka, congratulations, you won na. And I knew I did not. Think that तो hurts more यार कि जब जीते भी नहीं हो तो भी लोगों को लग रहा है कि तुम जीते हो और आके विश कर रहे हो. That was the time I cried like a baby. और first year में already I told you all कि मैं कितने mental trauma से गुजर रही थी. तो that was the time I realized कि overconfidence है हमेशा मुझे it has brought me to a different stage of life. Zero से फिर से start करना पड़ता है. So even though you all might feel कि probably you're in which college, क्या कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो MBA, what is the purpose of doing MBA, but एक चीज तुम लोगों को motivate करने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. Honestly, motivation के लिए now how you all take it matters up to you all. Raj Shamani at this age is doing MBA. How many of you all knew that? If you all know that he has his company valuation in 200 crores something. He is doing MBA. And why is he doing that? Of course, there are different reasons of doing MBA. I don't know what are your reasons. Like, for example, my friend did MBA because उसको सिर्फ घर पे नहीं रहना था. उसको जाना था कॉलेज कि मैं तो घर पे नहीं रह सकती, इसके बाद काम नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मेरे को करना है MBA. तो उसने किया. The person who gave her the job, my friend Shubham, he had his company in engineering ke third year itself. But he says he did MBA because there is legit knowledge. if you all study, जो मैंने मेरी फ्रेंड के एग्जाम देते टाइम पढ़ा, लाइक उसके एग्जाम थी ऑनलाइन थी, वो क्वेश्चंस भेज देती थी, मैं नेट से ढूंढ के उसको आंसर्स दे देती थी. सो व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग दैट, आई रियलाइज कि स्ट्रेटेजिक मार्केटिंग में टर्म्स होते हैं, एंड देयर इज अ प्रॉपर literal course, like a literal subject in second year of MBA called strategic marketing, and मैं तो मेरे instinct से कर रही हूँ. So I thought कि अगर मैं ये words पढूं, ये terminologies अगर आगे जाके किसी ने मुझसे पूछ लिए तो क्या होगा, तो मैंने अभी से वो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ लिया. जैसे ही उसके एग्जाम होती थी ना, मैं 1 घंटा उसके बाद बैठ के वो जो भी एग्जाम के क्वेश्चंस होते थे, आई यूज्ड टू सिट एंड स्टडी दैट. This is just 1 महीने पहले की बात. And that's how I realized everyone has different mottos of doing MBA. Some do it to buy time from parents, some try to do something different. So Shubham did it because he genuinely wanted information. Raj Shamani did it. He said ki you have to do it in a way. He did it because he wanted to get in the alumni connect. He says SPGN college and these big colleges, they have a fees of around 40 lakhs and something. So when you actually pay that amount, that means you come from a good background, probably a business background and all. And that gives me a direct access to the big people in the country. Because किसी के parents कुछ है, किसी के पापा politician है, किसी का कुछ ये है. So look at his thought process of doing MBA. So I want you people to actually understand and figure out कि तुम MBA क्यों कर रहे हो. जैसे मुझे करना है MBA, I can still do it. I am a very big fan of open universities and doing it.
I have a question.
Sakshi,
So-
just
okay.
one. So I also want to do MBA. Definitely I will do it. But when will I do it? जब मुझे कोई सच में मुझे करना होगा तब. मुझे करना है अभी भी. Now also I feel that knowledge is okay. But I will do it. I want you people to actually ask yourselves कि why are you all doing it? Just because कोई और masters नहीं करना था, just because CAT crack हो गया, just because क्या करना था. When you all ask yourself these questions, is the time you all will start taking your subject seriously. Subjects next semester में जाने के पहले syllabus ध्यान दे के रखो कि ये चीज क्या आने वाला है, एंड उस चीज को ब्रैक करो. जैसे आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट व्हेन आई हैड टू डू माय प्रोजेक्ट फॉर थर्ड ईयर. आई यूज्ड टू से कि अरे IoT है नेक्स्ट ईयर में, दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प मी. सो I've always been a very big fan of knowing the syllabus before entering a college. मतलब स्कूल में भी ऐसा होता था ना, समर हॉलीडेज में मेरी सारी टेक्स्ट बुक्स पढ़ के हो जाती थी. सो व्हेन टीचर यूज्ड टू से दिस पेज खोलो, आई यूज्ड टू लाइक ओपन एंड सिट एंड डू इट. इंजीनियरिंग में नहीं किया, मैं बाजू वाले से पूछती थी कि कौन सा चैप्टर चालू है till first year and second year. But if you'll apply this, trust me, MBA is such a beautiful degree. मुझे गुस्सा आता है when people say कि MBA से तो कुछ भी नहीं होता है. कुछ भी नहीं है, MBA कर that. कोई भी कॉलेज से करो, curriculum is amazing. I love Indian education system. चाहे कितना भी बुरा हो, कैसा भी बोले, I love it if you take the most out of it. अगर तुम 9th standard में ये नहीं पढ़ते कि a square plus b square is equal to, sorry, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, तुमको ये चीजें नहीं समझ में आता, और तुमको जो छोटी चीजें, जो तुम्हारा ब्रेन डेवलप हुआ है ना, कि अगर तुम घर शिफ्ट कर रहे हो और मुझे ये कॉर्नर में सोफा चाहिए, क्या मेरा सोफा इतने दूर तक आएगा या इतने पास तक आएगा, दिस डजंट कम बचपन से, ये रैंडम नहीं आता है. इनडायरेक्टली योर ब्रेन इज बीइंग प्रोग्राम्ड टू डू दैट. तो अगर तुम ये चीज ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि तुम्हारा इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम तुमको इनडायरेक्टली क्या चीजें सिखाता है, बचपन से तुमको अगर फाइनेंस सिखाओगे ना, तुम तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स के इस पे चढ़ के बैठोगे. So I'm not like being very pro this thing or something. It's good that the NEP has come, but it all depends on how we take it as. And that is why different people become successful at different times, because their perception and the things what they are doing is very different every day. Making sense? Yes. Yes, Sakshi. Sorry, continue.
You just said there was a subject called strategic management, but you never studied and you
Yeah.
happened to develop by your own self.
Right.
So you never did anything called digital marketing or anything related to the course?
So if you see digital marketing में ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं called strategic marketing. That is something which, see, अगर तुम digital marketing का पूरा course देखोगे ना, तो उसके अंदर strategic marketing as a whole, as to what I have only developed that नहीं है. You either give all services and then you give strategic marketing as a part of it. So MBA में जो strategic marketing सिखाते हैं with the terminologies, digital marketing में नहीं सिखाते हैं, because they
So-
teach you more about SEO and all of these things. Yes.
So do you think, like, I am going to do MBA marketing, for example, okay?
Yeah.
So do you think a digital marketing degree while choosing outside? Now there are lot many offers coming, especially for MBA students. They should do digital marketing. So you will have a good knowledge. of marketing because now the whole world is going to be digital as such. But then, how will we choose if we really want to do digital marketing? How will we choose things online? Okay, now
Right.
you are, if you go to say you have worked hard for it, for example, till here. But is there any easy way to do something digital marketing and understanding like how to choose your courses online if you really want to do digital marketing?
Right. So,
Think,
Sakshi, if I may ask, what is your graduation in?
my graduation is in financial market, stock
Okay.
market related, and
Mhm.
after my degree, I was studying for CAT, and I am here now. So I couldn't clear CAT. I could clear CAT, but the 90 percentile and all I couldn't get in CAT. Then eventually I did CET. Then I had to think I want to do my own startup, and I started also. I have a startup in women clothing, but then my family always wanted me to do MBA, so I am doing MBA.
Okay.
Then I feel doing an MBA and getting a job is not easy now because now everyone's MBA. Like now, see, you and I am student is also doing MBA from a laptop. A B school student, any B school students are doing MBA from laptop. There are only some people who are calling on their campus and then their activities happening there. Well, there also they're sitting on the laptop and studying. Now we are not going to be recruited on knowledge base. We all will be recruited on their skill base. Like they won't see our marks. Okay, how much percent you got and how much percent your colleague or competitive got. Everyone is going to score a big hit as everyone knows what they're doing online. Okay. Everyone is going to get selected on their experience and skill. And as of for now, our internships are, you know, 50-50 on an average. So obviously next goal is to achieve our skills. So what do you think? How should we achieve our skills online? See, learning Excel and doing pivot and doing HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP is like we are doing it, but then in practice also we should do, right? And now I'm looking forward to do digital marketing and give a hit to my resume that I am doing this also. But then you can't select because people are charging you and then they give all theoretical knowledge and tell you to watch all videos. So it's like अभी हम लोग MBA करे अब तो practical दो. This is the kind of attitude I'm getting. So when you said कि you did it on your own, that is why I had a question ki what courses did you do?
Right. Okay. So there are a lot of things that I want to cover in this. Just in case if I miss any of it, ask me again. So let me start from behind, talking about skills. Okay. So आपकी जो question का end part था about skills, the biggest mistakes that we do when, यार Akbar, can you please smile? He's sitting इतने ऐसे मतलब he's not even smiling कब से. Am I too boring? Like, to be very honest.
You're
Okay.
not. You're
To
not.
be very honest, this is the first guest lecture I'm talking so much.
that
People are enjoying it.
that really means a lot. Okay, so coming to skills, the biggest mistake that we do is we do a course because we want a skill. It doesn't happen like that. I never knew what skills I'm developing. I was experimenting and then I got to know that this is my skill. अगर हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि हम एक्सेल में एक्सेल का एडवांस एक्सेल करके अमेजिंग होने वाले हैं and that is my skill, no, that's not your skill. You've developed that skill because someone told you to do it. Your skills develop when you like to do something. Samjho, you are doing digital marketing because people are saying, yeah, for example, if you are wanting to do something, why do you want to do that? Because the world is doing it. I did digital marketing because I'll tell you, no one told me to do it. So okay, there's a story, I'll tell you that story also. I took pieces of things. Now how do you do that? Pehle story bata deti hu because it might help you all. So I started this photography का thing with my friend, and when I took his account, तो 2 साल पहले का एक मैसेज था एक लड़के से, पीयूष कुकरेजा से, that hey, I am offering website making for free, would you like to take that? And मैं सारे messages देख रही थी उसके, and then I said, hey, you had messaged, let me know more about it. So I spoke to him, I took his number, I had a word with him, and I said, listen, मुझे बनाना नहीं है, but I just wanted to know why you offering it for free. And then he said, I'm starting out for digital marketing and everything and all. मैं चलो, मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं रहा है तुम क्या बोल रहे हो. This is long back, when I was in first year का end, second year. तो this is like 4-5 years back. तब इतना भी hype नहीं था digital marketing का. तो he started, and उसके बाद I was like, कुछ भी मेरे तरफ से लगे मुझे बताना. तो I network. My main thing is I network with people and I keep them in my contacts. So after some time he saw my story with Tanvi Malhara and he messaged that hey you know मुझे एक रेडियो का प्रमोशन करवाना है, can you please help me? अरे चलो, why not? So we met him. That is the first time I met Piyush Kukreja and I told him कि चलो करवाते हैं, and I love to help people for free. चलो कर लेते हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. So I went over there and I तन्वी से बात करवाया, काम हो गया. हम जब नीचे आए, हम नीचे रुके थे. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल आर फ्रॉम नासिक एंड यू ऑल नो. सो वहां पे मैं रुकी हूँ एंड सडनली ही स्टार्ट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट तुमको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मालूम है, ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है. वो बंदे ने 2 घंटे का मुझे बताया कि वो क्या करता है. एंड digital marketing was that time no hype, no one knew क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं, everything. It was very vague of him कि वो क्या बड़बड़ कर रहा है. But he told me कि उसका ये चीज था कि because I've done a favor for him, he wanted to return that favor by giving knowledge. तो उसके पास जितनी भी नॉलेज थी उसने फास्ट बोल दिया. वो खत्म हो गई बात, हम चले गए. बट वो मेरे दिमाग से निकली नहीं. एंड उसके बाद व्हेन आई केम होम ना, आई वाज आस्किंग हिम, अरे पीयूष व्हाट वर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट, कहाँ से कर सकते हैं ये चीज? तो ये अरे इंटरनेट पे तो फ्री में मिल जाता है. एंड व्हेन आई रिसर्च्ड अबाउट इट, उसके सिलेबस के बारे में, इज द टाइम आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. सो you are thinking of digital marketing because the world is saying it. You don't know what you like. Okay, just saying, like now you don't know what you like. Experiment. Whatever you work in, don't look out for internships which is, you know, because college ne bola hai ye kiya and all. Just be online. Whatever opportunity you have, grab it. Now, anything that you have, how can you leverage? I'll tell you. So if I have this watch, it's a watch worth 10,000 rupees. I did not pay for it. I woke up one day and I was watching stories. Fitness Talks with Pranit was giving a giveaway where he said कि you just have to talk about why fitness is important to you. 15 सेकंड की स्टोरी, why fitness is important to you. मैंने ब्रश भी नहीं किया था. I got up, I made a story एकदम इसमें, and I was like, fitness is important to me because I fell ill and ऐसा हुआ. My skill is talking. I leveraged that. I won the giveaway and I got this watch. What I mean by that is, I again come to this, grab opportunities. When it comes to skill development,
वीडियो कॉल कर रहा है.
if you have that mindset कि मुझे ये चीज सीख के मुझे स्किल डेवलप करना है, कभी नहीं होगा. ट्रस्ट में कभी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू नो कि तुमको कौन सी स्किल सीखनी है. Skill and the things that you love only come through experimenting, and the things that you genuinely love उसके आगे आगे करते जाओ. First thing. Next thing, talking about digital marketing, I genuinely promote digital marketing because I feel every person should have that knowledge. क्योंकि people charge hefty amounts for something that they can do on their own. People only hire digital marketers for 2 reasons. One thing is when they don't know how to do it. Second thing is when you have enough money that they don't want to dedicate their time to do it. So I hire people because I don't want to dedicate my time to do it. A lot of people, when I see clients, it just makes me feel so bad कि ये बंदा 40,000 दे रहा है एक चीज के लिए जो वो खुद से कर सकता है. So digital marketing, like you said, you have your own business, do it for yourself. Now, again, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing के अंदर ही इतने सारे fields है. जैसे engineering कैसी है? Civil engineering है, ENTC है, computer है, IT है. It is so vast. So when I finished Google Digital Garage, जो कि मैंने सिर्फ ऑनलाइन ऑन किया, it's a 40-hour program, ऑन करके रखो, चलते रहने दो, 40 घंटे बाद तुम्हें सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा. जिसको जेन्युइनली पढ़ना है वो 40 आवर्स देखेंगे, उससे तुमको एवरीथिंग का बेसिक पता पड़ता है. यू गेट टू नो ऊपर का ऑफ एवरीथिंग. सो आई डिड दैट. मैंने ऊपर का ऑफ एवरीथिंग पढ़ा एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि यार SEO तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे बाकी चीजें सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन ना कि मुझे ऐसी ये चीजें चाहिए. एंड आई डिड नॉट गो इन इट ओनली. मैंने वो पढ़ा ही नहीं. सो व्हाई डू आई सजेस्ट गूगल डिजिटल गराज व्हेन पीपल से कि यू शुड नॉट सजेस्ट दिस, इज बिकॉज वो करके तुम्हें ये समझेगा. सबसे पहले तो वो फ्री है, ठीक है. तुम 40 घंटे देना है, तुम पूरे महीने में अगर 1.5 आवर भी दोगे तो भी वो हो जाएगा विद टेकिंग 1 डे का ब्रेक. ऑल्सो फ्री है. You will get to know overall digital marketing क्या होती है, because वो तुमको ऊपर का सब knowledge दे देंगे. Either you get super interested in it and you do a certification after that, or there and there, or you will get enough information to how to market your own business. ठीक है. So start Google Digital Garage. It's a free course. Once you finish that, you ask Vaibhavi, I will get you connected with my team and I will tell you what courses to do next.
I
Because
will share your link, Kanishka, in the group.
yeah, works, chalega.
Yeah.
So what I mean by that is कि free courses करो, हर चीज के पहले free course करो, कोई भी paid course पे जाओ ही मत.
True.
सबसे पहले उस चीज का एक्सपेरिमेंट करके फ्री कोर्स ऐसा करो कि देखो कि तुम्हें उसमें इंटरेस्ट है या नहीं, कि इज द मनी वर्थ इट, what you're putting money in it. So Google Digital Garage, search for it right now. Amazing course, go for it, do it. It will not give you complete information. It is going to give you superficial information of everything that you want to do. उसके अंदर इफ यू आर स्मार्ट इनफ यू विल रियलाइज कि तुमको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग किस चीज में करनी है आगे. लाइक आई वाज स्मार्ट इनफ, मुझे जाना ही नहीं, मुझे सोशल मीडिया में करना है बिकॉज आई लाइक सोशल मीडिया, सो आई चोज सोशल मीडिया. सोशल मीडिया के अंदर ऑल्सो आई रियलाइज कि मुझसे तो अकाउंट हैंडलिंग नहीं होना. देन आई रियलाइज कि मुझे स्ट्रेटेजिक मार्केटिंग में जाना है, वेयर आई वांट टू टेल पीपल हाउ कैन दे ग्रो, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन अकाउंट्स ग्रो. आई ऑब्जर्व थिंग्स. जैसे if someone is doing a course in collaboration with someone, so I get it, either they're doing it for money, or either they're doing for personal branding, or either they're doing for just an association. So my mind works that way. So you have to be alert of the things that is actually happening around you. So first thing, skill development. अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि यार एक्सेल तो हम कर रहे हैं, वो स्किल नहीं है, बिकॉज अगर आप वो इस टोन से बोल रहे हो तो वो स्किल नहीं है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज वॉट एवर यू डू, अगर आपको कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है, व्हाई डिड आई टॉक अबाउट द गिव अवे वाला थिंग, इतने सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज आते हैं ऑनलाइन, इतने सारे ऑनलाइन अपॉर्चुनिटीज, जस्ट टेक दैट, डू इट फॉर 1 month. रेज्यूम पे डालो भी मत. लोग बोलेंगे कि अरे 1 महीने में करके छोड़ दिया, मत डालो रेज्यूम पे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. एनीथिंग दैट यू लर्न इज नॉट अ वेस्ट. तुमने सीखा, तुम आगे बढ़े. Like Tag Mango ka, I've worked my ass off, but I didn't put it on my resume because I don't want people to question me ki why did you leave. But I learned now. I learned a lot of things and I went ahead. That is why I gained that experience in the next company that I'm working. Don't think कि हमें opportunities कैसे मिलेंगे. It again comes to the first thing that I was talking about. When your गाड़ी breaks down and people are crossing and you need to stop people and tell them what you want to do, वो चीज करो. एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड गेट टू नो कि तुम्हारी स्किल्स क्या है, बिकॉज नो पर्सन करियर काउंसलिंग फेक है. मैं बोल रही हूँ, आई एम इन द एंड आई वाज गोइंग टू टेल यू पीपल टू कम एंड रजिस्टर फॉर माय करियर काउंसलिंग. मैं फर्स्ट सेशन में जो इंसान पैसे भर के आता है, मैं बोलती हूँ देखो भाई, फर्स्ट डे पे तुमको कुछ नहीं बता सकती हूँ. एनीवन हु हैज टेकन माय काउंसलिंग दे विल नो, एक सेशन में कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, जस्ट स्टे कनेक्टेड विद अस. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम एनी पर्सन हु डज एनी कोर्स ना, वो पहले हमको बताता है. सो इट्स मोर लाइक आई हैव बिकम अ एल्डर सिस्टर टू देम कि दीदी मैं ये कोर्स करूँ या नहीं. So that is why career counseling is not my ikigai. I'm going to post a video where I'm going to talk about ikigai and I'm going to tell them why they should know how career counseling is not my ikigai, even though people know me as a career counselor. Because people have this wrong notion कि एक बार गए तो एक पर्सन हमको बता देगा हमारा लाइफ क्या होना है. हम अंतर्यामी नहीं है, हम एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स नहीं है. We can tell you a pathway and that pathway can be wrong. बिकॉज तुम हमको जो बताओगे हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग बोलेंगे ना. तुम अगर आके बोलेगे मैं बहुत अच्छा इंसान हूँ, मैं तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग बताऊंगी. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम एंड टेल मी तुम्हारे में फॉल्ट्स क्या है. व्हेन आई टॉक टू द पेरेंट्स, दे गिव मी अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. फिर ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये पेरेंट्स का सुने या बच्चे का सुने. सो what matters is कि how you perceive things. And career counseling में, of course, I am not saying that I don't do it well. मैं अच्छी हूँ, agreed, but it takes time. It takes continuous sessions. It takes us to observe. So I actually observe these people every week. I have to follow up from them कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो लाइफ में. And that is how we realize that. तो जब you're doing something ना, ऑब्जर्व करो, खुद से ऑब्जर्व करो कि तुम व्हाट इज इट दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू पीपल हियर एंड देयर. समझो अभी अगर फॉर एग्जांपल Vaibhavi is there and Vaibhavi is organizing this. Did anyone really go and tell ki hey Vaibhavi, who is the next guest for the next week? Maybe you know what, I'd like to coordinate with the guest and set this up for you, take photos from the guest, everything. Vaibhavi, I think you're the president or something. So what I feel is people should come and do it on their own. जैसे when I was in telekinesis, the president कोई और था. I didn't have a position, but I still went and said कि भैया मैं आपको कुछ help कर दूं. तो he told me कि कनिष्का आज speaker नहीं आया, तो जाके ये host कर देगी. And that is the time I was actually observed by people in college कि who is this girl who is hosting this. ठीक है. तो जब तुम ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज लोगे, you can also tell Vaibhavi नहीं यार, I don't see potential in this guest, don't get this guest. Of course suggestions are welcome, but since it is online, we don't want to do that. Opportunities are around us, but we don't grab them. So you do digital marketing, no doubt, but do it with a purpose. Anything you do in life, do it with a purpose. मुझे नहीं purpose दिख रहा है, मैंने advanced excel किया, but मुझे VLOOKUP and all में purpose नहीं दिख रहा है, I didn't go for it, I hired someone for it. anything that you want to do, any skill development, कुछ भी है तुम्हारे आजू बाजू, समझो if you want to start your own business, probably what you can do is go and tell other businesses that I want to handle your account for free for 3 months or 1 month. I want to see how the back. Then you realize कि उसमें पूरे चीज में तुम किस चीज में अच्छे हो, how much time you can dedicate, what all you can do better. Am I making sense to everyone? Because ये चीज मैंने किया है. I cannot
Yes,
tell you
yes.
specific things कि तुम आगे जाके कैसे कर सकते हो. That will depend on person to person. ठीक है. So whatever you all do, make sure कि you are experimenting enough and you are not jumping onto conclusions. Now, how many here from my team? Neha? Only Neha, right? Mrinali, hi, ठीक है, चलो. I didn't want to like bitch or something, but what I want is whatever experience you all take. Since my members are there, I won't tell much, but whatever experience you all take it in a considerable amount. Just because you know something doesn't mean you know everything. Okay. So my recent manager left. I used to be so proud of having 100% retention ratio. She got a better client, she left. Pranali says we won't tell others, don't worry. She left. Koi problem nahi hai. But I have seen her closely. I have pushed her to her limits to do better. I know ki where she is going to lag and where that problem is going to come. Just because you see your boss, you see your team member doing something, you can't read the manual and learn to drive a car. You can't do that. Just because you have little experience, don't think कि तुम life में बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. And I have learned this. There is so much for me to learn. I am not going to blame her. Okay, उसको ऐसे लगा होगा that being a manager, I've seen Kanishka work so closely. I know how she closes clients. I know how she does this, how she handles things and all. It is not easy. It took me 6 years to actually understand a little stability, and still I make mistakes. So थोड़ा सीख के ये सीख लिया है. And I think that's the biggest mistake everyone fails. Am I like making sense? So I just wanted to like say this because क्या होता है ना, हम एक एक कोर्स करते हैं and we think that we know everything. मुझे बुरा ये लग रहा था when I was talking to my mom and I was telling her, मम्मा like जाने दे ना, एक client से क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है. मैंने बोला मम्मा I know what all problems she has, and if that client goes she will be left with nothing. And then my best friend told me कि stop thinking about that, because एक client, it's a repetitive thing. वो client next month चले गया तो are you sure where you're going to get the next client from? मेरा तो touch wood अच्छा है कि लोग खुद से आ जाते हैं सामने से कि कनिष्का ये चीज करते, तो I have clients lined up कि I can go to them and all. But it is difficult. It is not easy to earn money. It is not easy to get things ऐसे ही. And that is why you have to channelize your energy. Channelize your energy in a way कि अगर तुम कुछ लाइफ में अच्छा कर रहे हो तो तुम उसको बेटर कैसे कर सकते हो. Nothing is best. I am not the best. And I won't say that I'm the best. There's so much that I have to do that.
It's a process.
That's true. You know where I'm at, I can never talk professionally. मैं जाके बात करती हूँ. A lot of people get offended also. You know, I'll use words like shit. I'll use the F word and everything in a meeting. I'm like, chal yaar bro, I'll teach you this. I can be very professional. I am like, and that's what shows. Then a lot of people come to me and say, Kanishka, you're good at everything, but teri age dikh ke aa jati hai because you talk like that. It's like I can't change that, but I have to. If I'm talking to a big client, I have to. Definitely I end up talking in a very sweet way, but some take it positively and some like to work like that. But I have to be neutral, right? I am on that process. I'm trying to be better. Okay, so just I think I just spoke so much about my journey and I hope it makes sense. Okay, now what I'm going to do is यार सब फ्लो चला गया. मैं इतनी इमोशनल हो गई ना मेरे फोन की वजह से, तो अभी मुझे सेल करने ही नहीं आएगा तुम लोगों के सामने कुछ. ठीक है, एनीवे, सो आई वोंट सेल एनीथिंग, बट आई विल जस्ट बी लाइक कि guys, if we are putting a LinkedIn का link over here, you all can just comment as to how did you all like about this session. So I will be sending you all one link, one free resource that I'll be giving you all through via LinkedIn के this thing. Adneha, could you please send the link in? Yeah. So you all can just go on that post comment as to how did you all like this session. Whoever comments will be getting some free resources, some freebies from my end, where I'll actually be connected with you all on LinkedIn as well. And also we will be sending a feedback from my end also. That's it. Anything else you'll want to ask? I hope your question is answered, Sakshi. If there's anything else you can ask for sure, please.
No, you answered them all.
Okay.
Is anyone have question? Please ask. Be free.
I do have a question.
Yeah, I want Akbar to talk to me, please.
I'll tell you the
Akbar
question.
is sincere guy.
Yes, madam.
Oh God, he's not smiling at all. मतलब मुझे इतना डर लग रहा है कि am I too boring or something?
No, ma'am, not at all.
Don't call me ma'am, yaar. I don't deserve that अब तक.
I was also thinking, Kanishka, before starting that should I call you ma'am or should I just go for Kanishka?
क्या baby?
Guys, please ask question anything.
एक और मिस्टेक जो मैं बहुत करती हूँ, आई लव ईटिंग. तो मैं क्लाइंट के साथ जब ऑफलाइन मीट्स में जाती थी ना, इट इज अ प्रोसीजर कि अगर तुम्हें कुछ लेना है तो मैक्स टू मैक्स तुम आइस टी लो, कुछ पीने के लिए लो. एंड हर्ष मुझे हमेशा ये चीज बोलता था कि कनिष्का दिस इज रॉन्ग कि तू जाते साथ कोई भी कैफे में खाना ऑर्डर करती है. बिकॉज मैं हर मीटिंग के लिए अलग कैफे जाके मैंने नासिक के सब चीज ट्राई कर लिया. I used to go and I used to order something to eat all the time. People say that it is a
I
nice,
know.
you like it, you're authentic as you are, but that is not good in the long term. If I'm meeting someone out of Nasik and all, बहुत सारी चीजें I have to learn too, and I love eating, love eating. And मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है because I was super sad. I'm glad I did this session because I'm so happy to meet you people. नहीं तो सुबह से मैंने सब मतलब.
Are you really?
Sorry.
Are you really happy by I was thinking that this session will help you too.
So क्या था ना कि मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड मुझे यही बोल रही थी कि तूने सुबह से मीटिंग्स क्यों नहीं लिए, एक क्लाइंट क्लोज कर लेती तो तेरा खर्चा निकल जाता फोन का. बट यार वो माइंडसेट नहीं होता है, कितना भी बोलो वो तुम नहीं कर पाते हो बात. तो ये सब चीजें थी. तो फिर आई वाज लाइक चल यार, एटलीस्ट आई टॉक टू पीपल ऑफ माय एज, आई विल बी लाइक मोर हैप्पी, दे विल हाइप मी अप. एंड वन थिंग आई रियलाइज्ड with age how it glow, like normally I go for engineering ke sessions and people who are in first year, second year, third year, you people don't unnecessarily comment. I don't know that is a good thing or a bad thing, या motivation nahi hai and all, but that's what defines age, that's what defines maturity. कि fire links nahi, fire emojis nahi डाल देंगे, time pass के लिए कुछ नहीं कर देंगे, that is actually good. So with time you do realize that. Komal, actually it seems like you're actually sitting in the thing.
Yeah, I also noticed that.
मतलब समझ में नहीं आएगा कि तुम like
So Kanishka, what do you like? What have you decided with the phone? What are you going to do with that?
Yeah, don't ask. It feels so sad. I don't know, yaar. मतलब just day before yesterday, I had a meeting with the person who's going to run my ads, and उन्होंने तो मुझे बहुत बड़े-बड़े सपने दिखाए कि आप तो कोर्स स्टार्ट करो, 6 महीने में आपका रेवेन्यू 50 लाख होगा. मैंने बोला 6 महीने में रेवेन्यू 50 लाख होगा, मजाक लग रहा है, 50 लाख होगा. एंड मैं तब से ना अभी लाइक पर्पसली सेइंग थिंग्स कि मैं तो हर महीने फोन बदलूंगी. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग ऑन इंक्रीजिंग एंड इट माइट जस्ट शट माय फोन ऑफ इन सम टाइम. It just seems like कि मुझे duplicate लगा के I'll try to sell it off, duplicate screen, because original screen is like 20,000 plus, and अभी मैंने MacBook लिया, I don't have the capacity to spend at all. So I will just probably sell this and take an SE or something which everyone says नहीं लेना है, या तो मैं भी direct OnePlus पे shift हो जाऊंगी.
Yeah, it's good.
How many OnePlus users here? Genuinely अच्छा
Yeah,
phone.
even me. It's a good investment. Yeah. Okay, guys, do you have any question?
Questions, guys. कुछ भी पूछो, जर्नी के बारे में पूछो. If you all did not like anything of me talking about something or anything, you all can ask about that also. Point me out.
I love to share that Kanishka has acting skills also, and she's a best anchor.
You all would have से कितने नखरे से बात करती हूँ मैं पूरा टाइम.
She has done everything, dancing, everything.
Experimented a lot of things in life.
I would want someone to thank her or just give feedback.
It's okay. Feedback de do. Thank you. It's fine. But yeah, ask me more questions and I would love to like. Probably.
Yeah, I have a question.
Sure.
So according to you, is network marketing a good thing or a scam?
Okay. So it depends. You can start your own network marketing also. Now, networking is really good. how do you network matters, because मैंने जितने भी चीजें किए ना नेटवर्क करके लिए. I'll tell you all one story about networking, just networking, not network marketing. तो networking का कैसा है ना कि I had this client of mine who told me that, hey Kanishka, you don't generate revenue. I don't generate revenue from my clients, still they pay. मैं clients को सिर्फ personal branding देती हूँ, strategic marketing देती हूँ, मैं उनको revenue generate नहीं करके देती हूँ. Still मेरे charges fixed है and I have these people working. So they said कि हमें revenue तो generate करना है, so we want to go ahead with this specific marketer, but we don't want to leave you and we want your help to for us. मतलब sure, इतना client के साथ अच्छा ये है कि एक client करंट मार्केटर के पास आके बोल रहा है कि दूसरे मार्केटर चेक करो, तो उन्होंने मुझे उसका लिंक भेजा, मैंने उसको मैसेज कर दिया, हे हिमांशु व्हाट्सअप एंड ऑल. He spoke to me, we spoke on the call, and he offered me that every client that you get for us, Kanishka, because you don't generate revenue, I will give you an affiliate of 25%. That's what networking helped me. First thing. Now, network marketing. People who are super smart are earning out of it. It is a scam if you don't know how to do it. Anything is a scam if you don't know how to do it. अगर तुम naukri.com पे 3,000 रुपए भर रहे हो और अगर तुम जॉब नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो, then that is your fault. ठीक है? Everything in life, any divorce when it doesn't work out ना, तो सब बोलते हैं कि बंदा ही गलत था. इतने पैसे खर्च किए शादी पे and all. I might be wrong in this thing and all. Now I'll tell you how. So basically my ma'am told me this once. She's also into network marketing and she said, हमें कुछ नहीं करना होता है, हम अगर सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट सेल भी कर लेना तो भी चल जाएगा हमको. Now think of this. Think of it like an online store. मुझे काजल चाहिए, मुझे मैम ने बोला कि कनिष्का ये देख, ये काजल तू ब्लू कलर का काजल लगाती है, दिस काजल इज ओनली फॉर 200, द काजल दैट यू पुट इज फॉर 500. आई एम लाइक दैट इज गुड, आई ट्राइड दैट काजल, इट वाज रियली नाइस. आई सेड मैम मुझे आपसे ही लेना है. Amazing, done. You register people under you. If you're into, this is what I say. For example, if Siddharth is a person and he wants other people to come in, you just tell Akbar कि अकबर सिर्फ तेरी डिटेल्स चाहिए, तुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना है, ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. I will be selling this. You network with people. Network marketing का meaning ही है network with people. People have with time spoiled it. अगर तुम लोगों से सिर्फ नेटवर्क करके उनको रियल मीनिंग समझाओगे ना, जैसे दैट मैम, शी यूज्ड टू जस्ट से कि यार मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट सस्ते में है, प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद लो, हम तो नॉर्मल इससे खरीदते ही है, उसके कम प्राइस में प्रोडक्ट्स है. शी जस्ट स्टार्टेड रजिस्टरिंग पीपल अंडर द नेम. वो इंसान का भी पैसा शी यूज्ड टू गेट इट हरसेल्फ. She is making the chain herself. She's selling the products on their name. She's getting the product खुद का margin. She's getting the person under them का भी margin खुद पे. How smart can one be to do that? People, there are ways to do network. This is one thing. Second thing was another girl. She literally explained how network marketing does in a very beautiful way. She said, "चल तू पैसे मत भर, ठीक है? तू ऐसे start कर." And you already have so many network, it's called leverage kar. You tell them as to what they will be using it. I said, you have so many networks, you can do that. So she said, see, I'm reaching out to only specific people who it will help. मैं सबको reach out नहीं कर रही हूँ. The people who you reach out matters. लोग क्या करते हैं, LinkedIn पे जाके message करते हैं, I have an earning opportunity for you. I'm an online entrepreneur. I'm an online entrepreneur and I want you to be an entrepreneur. You just have to dedicate 2 hours per day and you will get 1,000. That's not how it works. It feels like a scam when you go and message someone that. I get so many messages of telling people that, hey, you seem to be good. Do you want to be an online entrepreneur? I'm like, no, I'm good with an offline entrepreneur only. What I mean by that is network marketing has a lot of money. When people say that they've bought cars, they have bought cars. A lot of people don't fake. I have seen that. Same thing is for Max Life, New York Insurance, or any insurance company, if you'll observe. My mom was ठीक है, she didn't know about things, so the person who registered this thing registered her under his name for the insurance company, and she was working as an agent to that for a couple of months. She didn't know what to do at all, so we used to go for their meetings. मैं तो बहुत छोटी थी, I think I was in like 5th or 6th, तो मुझे मालूम. वहाँ पे एक मैम थी, she was earning around 1.2 or 1.5 lakhs a month that time, and when I observed, उसका husband was a policeman. Can you imagine how beautifully she leveraged that for her insurance? I mean, look at it, yeah. Her husband says कि I actually help her to do things. So she's registering people under her name, and I'm looking at my mom, I'm like, why are you not doing anything? She's like, मेरे को नहीं आता है करने. We left. But that's when I realized कि कोई भी चीज करना है ना काम में, हर काम में पैसा है, करते आना चाहिए. So I won't say network marketing is bad. The way you do it is bad. Sense, no sense. Like, am I
Yeah.
making
I agree to it.
Sense.
so? And I have seen people doing it very well. नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग पैसा तो बहुत है, नॉट गोना डिनाई दैट, बट तुम कैसे तुम अप्रोच अगर सामने वाले को बोलोगे कि यू कैन स्टार्ट अर्निंग विद मी, यू कैन अर्न 3,000 रुपए. मैं लोगों की स्टोरीज देखती हूँ वे पीपल से कि देखो मेरे अकाउंट में इतने पैसे आए हैं. यार वो दिख रहा है, तुम्हारा स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं है. प्लीज स्टॉप डूइंग दिस, इट इज फेक. How you put that out really matters. Or if you do it in a very nice, मुझे मालूम है मैं नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में घुसी ना, easily I will be able to earn around 3-4 lakhs a month because मेरा नेटवर्क उतना strong है and people will take also because of trust. मुझे करना नहीं है वो, and I can without like hugging anyone and all. So how you leverage it matters the most. ऐसा nothing is bad यार. पैसा कमाने का है ना, इंसान कहीं से भी कमा सकता है, and पैसा कमाना इतना भी टफ नहीं है. सच्ची बोल रही हूँ. Anything else?
Anything?
Juhi, you are unmuted. You have anything to ask?
Guys, at least tell how did you find this session? At
I have
least
one more
some-
question. I
Yes,
have one more question. Like, as you shared your journey, like you said that you have experienced everything, you have learned from your mistakes, you have learned from your failures. So, what is more wise, learning from your failures or initially, figuring out that this can be the, मतलब ये नतीजा हो सकता है, या फिर करने के बाद पता चले कि ये नतीजा है.
Okay. So मेरे में ना एक बहुत बड़ी
Like, I hope you understood the question. Like, for example, me.
मेरे में
For
ना एक
example, me.
बहुत
Okay,
बड़ी
please.
इसमें ना बहुत बड़ी एक प्रॉब्लम है कि अगर मैं एक मिस्टेक करती हूँ ना, तो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम वो मिस्टेक नहीं करूंगी, बट आई डू अ बिगर मिस्टेक आफ्टर दैट. सो आई लर्न फ्रॉम पीपल्स मिस्टेक. I don't do that mistake again, but I'll go that path and I'll do a bigger mistake. So I learn from people's mistake. Learning definitely is important. वो path पे I will first ask other people कि यार okay ये person कैसा है, वो चीज मैं सीखूंगी, and I will somehow end up making a bigger mistake. I'll tell you this. So the first client that I had was a very big affiliate marketer from India. I don't want to name him. So I am very good at लोगों से बात करना ना, तो उसके टीम मेंबर से जान लिया था. तो he was like ये एंड में ना पैसे काट ही देता है, कुछ भी हो ना, ही दिस थिंग मनी. तो मैं उसको इनवॉइस में ना हमेशा 5,000 ज्यादा ही. सो क्या होता था, बिकॉज मैं ज्यादा लिख के भेजती थी तो वो कट भी करता था, तो मेरा निकल जाता था. ठीक है, बट व्हाट आई डिड इज, एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट था एंड आई कोटेड हिम टू मच. वो दिख के आ गया. When you it's a 5,000 amount, वो दिखता नहीं है, but I quoted him so much कि वो दिख के आ गया and I lost the client. Getting it? Both are important. Learning from mistakes is important, but if you knew कि तुम वो mistake करने वाले हो तो वो मत करो. Now I didn't know ना कि उसको वो difference समझ आ जाएगा. See, I was not scamming him. It was just like कि तू कम करके दे ही रहा है तो at least let me earn that much, right? I didn't lose him. He just questioned me, and then he's like तू पक्का businessman बनेगी. तो I was like कि सर यार क्या बोल रहे हो, और तब तो सिर्फ स्टार्ट हुआ था. तो he called me and he questioned me कि लोगों से ये सुनने को आया है कि तू ऐसा ऐसा कर रही है. तो I laughed and then he was like that's good, I'm impressed with your things. I didn't lose him, he gave me that thing. मुझे 1 month का I had a contract of 2-3 lakhs, but I was like really unwell and it happened due to different reasons also. He became too personal with things and that's how it left. But I'm telling you the mistake कि वो दिख के आया, he caught me with it, that matters. So both are important in that. That's what I'm telling you ना, कोई भी चीज का लाइफ में एक चीज नहीं होता. There is no one answer to anything that we do. Everything depends. A lot of people don't learn from others' mistakes. I do. I learn from others' mistakes. I make sure कि मैं वो चीज के लिए careful रहूं. मतलब it is like ना कि कोई बोलता है कि have you seen those cartoons कि कोई बोलता है अरे सामने ये चीजें ध्यान से देख के चल, और फिर मैं बोलती हूँ हाँ मैंने तो देख लिया था, और उसके आगे जाके कुछ और लग जाता है. Real imagining तो मेरा वैसा है. That is me. Now it can be different for different people overall. ठीक है, सबका सेम जर्नी नहीं हो सकता. So Mrinali messages me, how do you make sure that the dots you've seeded starting of the session may make sense by the end of the session? So actually this is one very important skill that I have. I start talking shit and I don't know what I'm talking, but by the end of the session I somehow mold it into something that I wanted to say. And especially when I'm emotional now, I'll start talking itna, and then I'll turn it into a motivational talk. So it is a skill I've learned with time. Definitely, I know that is my skill. So you all define what your skills are and how you all can do it. How you got inspired about network marketing? I'm not into network marketing. Acha, how I got inspired by looking at people. When people used to come and tell me कि ये opportunity है to earn, I used to listen. मैं उनको बोलती हूँ चल चल स्कैम में निकल, सुनो सबकी सुनो, सबके मेथड्स देखो. मैं तो हर चीज सुनती हूँ, हर लोगों का मेथड ही सुनती हूँ. आई लिसन टू एवरीवन. आई टॉक टू मच बट आई लिसन ऑल्सो. मैं उतना सुन के भी लेती हूँ किसी का कि ठीक है तुम क्या बोल रहे हो. You have learned and experienced so much of things in your life. Among those, can you tell me one thing that makes you happy? You know, today before Shrishti was leaving, I told her this one thing कि कभी कोई मुझे पूछेगा ना कि what is that one happiness that you get repeatedly in life, I just told her कि कोई किसी ने मुझे ये question पूछना चाहिए, and that is when I buy baby lips for myself. I am such a huge fan of baby lips. I love baby lips इतना ज़्यादा कि anyone who video calls me at night also, you all will always see me with baby lips. Now I'll tell you the reason also. Everyone tells me it is wrong. It affects you a lot. मैं दिन में 10 बार baby lips लगाती हूँ, थोड़ा भी निकल जाता है ना मैं लगा देती हूँ, because मुझे इतना addiction है with this. I started using baby lips when I was in 8th standard. That was the same time I started working. And मेरा life का goal यही था कि I can earn इतना कि मैं baby lips खरीद सकूँ every month, because it is expensive. There I have so many lip balms. People gift me so many lip balms. This is almost 170 rupees. एंड सिंस मैं 8th स्टैंडर्ड एक ही चीज था कि मैं बेबी लिप्स खरीद सकूं कि मैं उतना कमाऊं. मैं कहीं भी जाती थी ना मैं बोलती थी कि मुझे बेबी लिप्स खरीदना है, उतने पैसे मिल जाए बस. एंड इट मेक्स मी हैप्पी व्हेन आई बाय बेबी लिप्स फॉर माय सेल्फ. आई बॉट बेबी लिप्स यस्टरडे बिफोर माय फोन एंड आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग हर कि कल मैंने बेबी लिप्स खरीदा और मुझे खुशी नहीं हुई क्योंकि मेरा फोन खराब हुआ. देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई कुडंट बाय बेबी लिप्स फॉर अ मंथ. उसके सेकेंड मंथ जब मैंने खरीदा ना, बिकॉज आई हैड मनी बट आई डिडंट वांट टू स्पेंड, बिकॉज आई रियलाइज दैट इज अ लग्जरी थिंग और मुझे लोगों को पे करना है, तो आई डिड नॉट बाय. आई थिंक दैट इज इन नवंबर डिसंबर ओनली व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग द लर्न एंड इंटर्न प्रोग्राम. द डे आई बॉट इट ना, माय फ्रेंड्स न्यू इट and I was so happy. I video called them and they saw na ki cosmetics ki dukaan mein they like baby lips kharida. So it really makes me happy because my journey started with me wanting to buy baby lips for myself all the time. I love variants of baby lips. Anyone who wants to make me happy, gift me baby lips. Pooch lena kaun sa hai best wala, the one that I like. It is a very beautiful thing and मुझे makeup इतना नहीं पसंद है, अभी अभी पसंद आने लगा है, but it is it's something that I wanted someone to ask me. आज की बात है. According to you, is network marketing as a good career background? Everything is good provided you know how to use it. कुछ भी अच्छा हो सकता है, बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छी होती है लाइफ में कि अगर आप okay, so I don't know what example can I give.
पर उसमें अप्स एंड डाउन भी तो होता है ना, तो उसका एक क्लैरिटी चाहिए था. बिकॉज करंटली आई एम इंटर्निंग विद आदित्य बिरला, सो इट इज आल्सो नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, सो थोड़ा क्लैरिटी चाहिए था.
Okay, I'll tell you what, ups and downs तो हर जगह होते हैं. It's in business also, it's in job also. If you वहां पे भी तुमको शो कॉज मिल जाएगा, वहां पे भी तुमको ये चीज होगा. It depends on does it really make you happy. First thing is you need to know what is your aim in life. My aim in life is not to earn money. My aim in life is to only get that much money that I can sustain. I can sustain itna कि I can give घर पे also, I can take care of my luxury also, and I can be what I am. My aim in life is not to earn too much money for myself. ठीक है, first thing. Second thing is I need to realize ki why am I working? I work because I love to work. A lot of people say that why do you work so much? Do your parents tell you to work? Itne young say you started working. I'm like, no, I love working. I love meeting new people. I love working. So first thing is you need to ask yourself, why are you doing network marketing? Is it because of money? Is it because you want money? अगर आपको पैसे चाहिए तो आप ये चीज सोचो कि इससे बेटर चीजें क्या हो सकती है कि आप कमा सकते हो. अगर वो चीज है तो if you genuinely like and you want to know about network marketing, kitne bhi ups and downs aayenge, you will not give up. So I know this is like a very generic thing that I've told you, but I look at career like this. If you like to do something, you will do your 100% your level best to get to where you are and do what you want to do. अगर तुमको कोई चीज नहीं पसंद है, अभी सी आई नो दैट आई डोंट नो इफ सस्मिता इज डूइंग नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, तो उसने अपने क्लासमेट्स में से कितने लोगों को पूछा है टू रजिस्टर फॉर इट. Depends on your perspective, money or product you're doing network marketing. That's true. It's what you want to do. It definitely depends on you. Now there was a junior of mine, she says कि you know हमारे क्लास में ये लड़की है, सिर्फ आके सबको पूछती रहती है यार कि ये करना है वो करना है, तुमको इसमें रजिस्टर करना है क्या, तुमको ये खरीदना है क्या. I told her how much are you earning, so she says nothing. मैंने look at her how much she is earning. She is doing her level best. तुमको पसंद नहीं आ रहा है वो तुम्हारा lookout है, but she didn't stop giving up, right? She is doing her level best because she likes to do it. And I spoke to her also. I asked her also. I said, why do you do this? Do you like to do it? She's like, yeah. उनके जो meetings होते हैं, we dress up in blazer. I really like उनके कैसे meetings होते हैं when people are earning, people are doing. She had her motive clear. उसका मोटिव क्लियर था. मोटिव क्लियर करो, तुम पैसा कमा. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, तुम्हारा इंटेंट सही होगा ना, पैसा तुम्हारे पास खुद आएगा. Sachi, this is touchwood. This is something that I've learned with experience, and I know it might be too much philosophical and motivational, but this works. Definitely, it works. Yes, guys. Achha, do you all want to see? Genuinely, I have to leave at 5. But do you all want to see my my office? I'll show you all my office. Chalo. Let me know when you all can see my screen. Huh? Are you all able to?
Oh, yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
So just because in spite of getting a good amount from clients, why am I working on this amount over here? There are a lot of other things also that is really good. Today Saturday, Sunday, तो ज़्यादा जन होगे नहीं ऑफिस में. Oh, everyone's there. चलो, let's go meet. Who to meet? 80 is not here. ठीक है. So this is the office. These are the desks, okay, where we sit. So this Sid is the guy who actually got me in Avalon. यहाँ पे सब बैठते हैं. So everyone is sitting, if you all can see. नीचे where जहाँ से I came, this is the seating space and everyone who wants to have a meeting. यहाँ पे these are proper offices. अगर कोई आता है to meet someone, so you can sit over here. Like, you know, if I sit over here and someone comes to meet me, so it is like this. Then this is a private space. अगर आप अंदर बाहर बैठोगे तो आवाज नहीं जाएगी. अगर आप अंदर बैठे हो और कोई आपसे बात कर रहा है तो this is like a private space. This is the interview room. Oh shit, interview is going on. ठीक है. This. I'm so sorry. Shit, there's a meeting going on. ठीक है. So that's a conference room. तो वहाँ पे दिख रहा है क्या तुम लोगों को? I can't really go inside. I don't know who's taking that meeting. Let's see what's happening.
This for them, and this is the value that I'm talking about. When they collaborate with Tushar, they're making a connection. They're actually getting an instant reach of up to like a 2,000 member community, and they get a couple of new followers for their own community and stuff like that. So I want you all to think about these kind of small moments in which the creator can actually feel like they're getting value. And a lot of times it doesn't have to be something huge. You can always exaggerate it, and that's the whole game that you're playing. That's the whole game. It's a you're playing. Like when you say that you're their personal manager, it actually makes them feel good that, hey, I have someone who I can talk to regarding whatever problem on the app, and that makes them feel a little special. So think of these kind of things that you can actually do in order to make them feel special, so that they feel like sticking on the app and they actually get some kind of real value. And watch that video. When you watch that video, you will get a couple of new insights as well.
Guys, you all can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we can hear you.
Feels like a video game only when people see it, and this is like जैसे चाय सट्टा मारने की जगह है ना, तो यहाँ पे it's that, like it's a city lights here. So
It's amazing, Kanishka. We never knew something like this.
Exactly. Even I didn't know something like this. So that's I'm like, chod paise. And if someone wants to make an announcement for everyone, you just have to stand on this. And I'm not standing on that. And you just have to like make that. So
This makes working fun.
I know, right?
That's really innovative and creative thing.
I know. And
Instead of just sitting in front of laptop, it's really indulging.
Credits to the developer.
to be there and they, wahan pe it's like, why is it easier? Because they don't call anyone. उधर आता है and says, I need a help from you. So it is a really, I mean, ऐसे जब experiences मिलता है ना, तब तुमको पैसा मैटर नहीं करता है, कि नहीं मैटर करता है कि तुम कितना कैसे क्या करना है। ऐसा।
So guys, if you have any questions to the
It looks like a proper gaming set. So yeah, I mean, it's that fun and people are also good. That matters, तो जहाँ पे भी जाओ, please don't tolerate work culture nonsense. That is what I'm working on. My startup is how to reduce this work culture ka nonsense where people don't treat you as humans. So yeah, that's it. And I think I'll just introduce my team members to you all. Taptak, Neha and Mrinali, can you all say hi? I don't know how you all are sitting.
Hello guys, hello everyone.
Video on kar do.
Hi.
So that is Neha and Mrinali. Where are you? On hello everyone. She'll just comment. So there are just two people coming here. Bichari Mrinali comes. जब भी बोलो आ जाती है. She's heading the Avalon with me. The work that I showed you all. So I have different person for different clients. So Neha actually helps me with everything since the time Shivani is left. Tab se Neha has been taking it over, and Mrinali has just joined, been promoted to the core team, and it's good. I suddenly had a lot of hiring for everyone. It is fun.
So thank you so much thank you so much, Kanishka. It was really insightful session and we really had fun. So on behalf of our entire entrepreneur committee, I would like to offer my sincere vote of thanks to Dr. Tandon Kamal sir, Dr. Rupali More ma'am, and entire faculty member for giving us this opportunity to organize this event. And I thank all the students and participants who joined and contributed. I sincerely thanks all my committee members for working as a team and helping us to carry out this event. Thank you so much for being the part of this today's event. And Kanishka, so grateful to you, yaar.
Anytime.
It's great to be connected with you. I have been seeing watching your videos, and today I got opportunity to introduce you. So it was really a privilege for me,
Thank you for actually considering me. Means a lot, guys. I hope you all have just taken the opportunity, like you all have just forms भर दिया होगा. बस वही I am expecting कि उतने कर दो. फिर बाद में तुमको हम personal करके sell करेंगे तुम लोग. Telecalling करवा के.
Suraj saying it's amazing session and super interactive session. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Now we'll go to
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Kanishka.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Don't forget to take some time out of your day for yourself also. मैं पहले नहीं करती थी and I was in the ICU. बहुत stories है ना मेरी life में gossip करने को. So I
We
was
have to invite you one more time to all the stories for everything.
yeah. So I was in the ICU and that's the time I realized that I need to take care of myself. तो आज से जब से the person I was talking about affiliate, he sent me a t-shirt and I realized it's not fitting me. तो अभी मैं cycling करने जा रही हूँ. तुम लोग भी exercise करो. Bye.
Please follow our Instagram for daily motivation. It's
Already done.
that's great.
Thank you so much. Chalo, take care. Bye bye guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Take care.